Start stream. Okay, they can hear you. They can't hear me. I'll be back in like 1 minute.
You want me to talk to... Jeez. I can hear you on the thing, bro.
I know. No, my mic's not on.
Yes, it is.
No. Oh, it is on. Oh, okay. Good thing I didn't say racist shit. Jabby Patty. Alright, fuck the countdown. Oh, oh my days. Oh, you know what? Hold on. I gotta up this.
You're in the middle of the screen still.
What? Wait, what'd you say? I'm in the middle of the stream?
No, you're in the middle of the screen.
Oh yeah, I like it that way. I'm gonna keep it for a little bit. All right, let's see what we can do. What's up, everybody? On UTZ. We're gonna just hang. Take a couple trades, Mabes. Shouts out to Nexy. I'm tired, man. This shit's
Bobby
coming
says,
down more. Yeah, it could.
Yeah, I agree, Bobby. I agree.
Yeah, probably. Probably. Let's see. I actually haven't even checked any of this shit all weekend. Have you been watching all weekend, Jabby Patty?
Of course.
At Jabby Patty. What's my P&L right now? Hold on. Do we want to hold right now? Let me just double check. So I'm in Seoul and I'm in a baby ETH position. Soul looks not bad. Soul looks not bad. This is why I longed Soul, by the way. Man, fuck these labels. Wait, you can see my screen, right? Like live?
Yeah. Yo, put your shit in the corner, bro. You're tweaking.
Oh. Alright. Okay, so I longed Sol because here we have 1, 2, 3, and then here we swept out low, and then pop, 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 bang. So you know this was TP. This is technically TP1, but I think if we do come up to here, which I think is, you know, actually I guess you could de-risk here, but this is TP1. I think if you do hit this, you're probably gonna come for that. So I will go TP. I will go TP. If I can take it to the range high and then we get a short from here, that's probably my preferred scenario. I kind of like taking the range high. I feel like it's been a long time since we didn't dump on the weekend. Every weekend is just super consolidating, like super low volatility, and then it's always dump. So maybe like today, well, the candle just opened, so maybe we get a little push up here and then we continue down, but we're obviously just in our range, you know. But that's what I longed on Sol. It was not very complicated.
You bought?
Moon it. Okay, so Sol is fine. Let's check ETH. Man, ETH is like, look how beat ETH looks. This looks kind of not great at all, to be honest with you.
It looks damn good.
No, I'm saying like the lack of follow through. Oh. But here you flipped structure. Here you have a Model 2. Here you back tested the Model 2 with another break. And then, you know, it left some ugly lows. It's trying to hold this. I don't like this triple bottom though. Yeah, see, I don't like that.
We're at previous day VWAP, by the way.
PDV?
Mm-hmm.
PDVZ? Anyway, so yeah, let's check Biddy. I'm not even joking. I haven't checked anything in like, I don't know, 30, 40 hours. Been pretty good, actually. It's been nice to get away. Okay, I've been having dream, bum, 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 smoking in the tambourine, whip it in the air. Dinner something. Are you playing RL?
No. Nope.
You're just chilling?
Guy, do some charting. Show the people what they want to see.
What do you think I'm doing right now? Yeah, I'm gonna TP though. I'm not round tripping this shit. Fuck that. I kind of want to add into my Sol, but I'll add into it. Like, I don't want to. I'll just take profit now and then I'll go back in.
Do you like my idea about the Model 2?
On Biddy?
Yeah.
What, distro or accumulation? I don't see anything.
Redistribution.
Redistro?
Yeah.
Like this, and then 1, 2, maybe 3, and then down? Or 3 and then down? Like a local distro?
Yeah. On the 15. That's what I've been looking at all day.
I don't see. The thing is though, is that none of this is like really swift. I mean, it's structure, yes.
No, I get what you mean.
Yeah. So like I would probably call this my tap 1. I mean, either way, if that's tap 2, that could be tap 1. But none of this is clean at all. So even if we like, this is the high right now, like I would never call that a 3. That's never a 3 for me, ever. This does not fit the criteria of being a 3. The only way it could be a 3, given this current structure, the way it looks, is if we take that high again, because none of this is like worth coming for. And you can't have a 3 with my rules unless you sweep buy side liquidity in supply. Or in the
I'm not saying
premium.
this is 3 right here. I'm saying
I
go
know.
up
I'm
more.
saying though, and I'm saying it for YouTube as well. Like I'm saying this. Let's just assume this is the high, and then we go lower. That's not tradable for me. Like this does not fit my criteria for a 3. 3 must either rebalance and imbalance or sweep liquidity in the premium section of the range. You know what I'm saying?
True.
And given this structure, because there's nothing up here, there's no imbalances here or liquidity, it's impossible for this, for me, for this 3 to be lower than this. So you're probably going to come and take the high. That high is probably going to go. And then maybe this is your 3.
GG.
Another thing that could happen is this is not even our range, and our real range ends up being like this. Where this is our 1 tap, and then this is the range that we play. Because this, none of this is like good structure, you know? Actually, I would argue that this is a 1, this is a 2, this is a 3, and it's a failed 3 and then popped out. So this is also a possibility. You hear me, guy?
No, I'm just watching. 3 equal lows, says Iggy.
3 equal lows? Where?
That is true.
Oh, like
we didn't.
what, this?
That's why I was hesitant earlier to get into that long, because we didn't sweep the fucking low.
Wait, like this low that I just drew? Yeah, you did. Or you mean this low? Which low are you referring to?
The one to the left.
This one?
No, guy. Hold on. Yeah, that, or no, yeah, the other one though, to the left of it.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, I misclicked anyway. Oh, I see what you're saying.
Why wouldn't they sweep that? That was my thing.
Yeah.
It's only $100 fucking more dollars.
Yeah, I
Why
probably wouldn't. I didn't take Bitcoin. I took Sol because Sol did sweep the low. You know what I mean?
not? Yeah, I hear you.
Like Sol did sweep it, so. Maybe this guy. It's only when I'm lying in bed on my own. I mean, yeah, this range is like a little bit young. I think it'll probably range more. It'll probably be a boring day.
I hope not.
Yeah, I also hope not too. I don't think the low's in, but maybe we get something today. Who knows?
You don't think the low is in? Like
Okay.
81K?
No. Well, I've talked about that already extensively on the channel. Like, I don't... It just doesn't make sense. Like, Bitcoin already distributed from the high. If the low is in, then I think it's going to be a lower high, lower low. I already think it's going to be a very likely for a lower high, lower low. You know, I already don't think it's going to be a higher high. Like, I think the top's in for Bitcoin. Well, I don't know, but right now there's nothing to suggest that it could go back to the high.
Fair enough.
Like, there are very strong cases that the high is in for the cycle. Whereas right now, I don't have any evidence to suggest it's not. You know? All right, what are you guys saying? It keeps beating upwards, might be bullish, weak. If I want, I should check Moondang. Yeah, I saw that earlier today. I saw it on Twitter. Somebody posted this shit. Oh my gosh. Yo, look at this. Jabs, look at my screen.
Holy.
No, look at this. Look at that wick. And that's a real wick.
Oh my god.
So look, I'm going to go to, I think it was a 1 minute. Look at this, bro. This is the shit I don't understand.
He
How
bought?
the fuck
Moon it.
in 10 minutes does it go up 242%? And then it just nukes. Like, this is the crazy shit, you know?
Yeah, this is where you get wrecked right here.
Like, this is insane. There's no way this is a 1 minute time frame. There's literally no way for me for us to trade this. There's
No,
not.
you
How
can't.
are you gonna trade this?
Recover the fair value gap halfway up. I don't know. Like,
Yeah, like what are you gonna do
what
here?
this shit come out 24 hours ago?
No, this was out like in a long time ago.
Word?
Like, look at this.
What the fuck?
Yeah, it's been out since 2014 or 2024. Like, look
Holy
at this
shit.
pump. This pump was 800%. Yeah, man, this shit's look at
Heat pump.
holy fuck, bro. That's insane.
Yeah, they swept everything.
When you look at it like this, that's insane, dude.
Holy fuck, man. Not really though. Holy. Oh, so it's down billions.
Man, here's everything, all the altcoins are, but that's a shit coin. But here's the thing, man. Like, I don't remember. I wasn't as good of a trader as I am now in the bear market, but I don't think that alts do this in the bear market.
Long Adam.
Oh, I haven't traded this shit in forever. Look at that. Would have been tagged in that. Anyways, fuck that. You know what I'm saying though? Like, I don't think alts do that in the bear market, do they?
I don't know. I mean,
this cycle proved
really.
There was never a cycle. In your opinion, it's heavily manipulated. I mean, listen, like, yeah, sure. I think every market is quote unquote manipulated, but this cycle, if anything, proved that not everything like is the same all the time. You know what I mean? Like, the trend isn't your friend until the end. Like, you know, don't just always assume the same thing's gonna happen. That's what this cycle is called. It's not even a bull run, it's a Bitcoin run, and the alts got kind of smoked, you know? Fuck it up, fuck it up. Okay, let's come up with a plan. Come up with a plizzy. Let's check Bitcoin dominance. I haven't seen. Did my zone work or no? Kind of still did. Yeah, you're still in that. Interesting. Look at the money coming in. Yo, we gotta start trading Sui, bro. Have you ever traded Sui?
No, actually. I think I took one trade on it, but
Sui moves like Bitcoin, but it what's up, Davi? Yeah, I guess we're trading. It's, I mean, yeah. If I see something, I'll take it, but I'm kind of just chilling. Anyway, what's it called? Jabby Patty. Yeah, this thing moves like, it kind of moves like Bitcoin. Like, it moves similar, but just, it's a crackhead though.
Yeah, I know.
Like,
it's like over the top.
Meth. Yeah, like it's my first 5-digit trade ever. So the beginning of this year was my first 5-digit trade when I was in Miami, actually. And it was because it was on Sui. It was a short.
Sui mooned?
No, Sui it went to 0.
Oh, GG.
Check Bitcoin 12-hour structure. Eh, 12-hour structure. I mean, this is your 12-hour structure on Bitcoin.
You bought?
It's literally just this. 12 hours bearish as shit. That's it. That's your whole 12-hour structure. You sold? Dump it. You know what I'm saying? That's literally all your structure is. There's nothing else to say on the 12-hour. That's your whole structure. Check Crow. Is Crow like doing something? Let me see. Do I even have Crow in my list? Jabs, what bird? Wait, that was a stupid question. I was gonna say what bird crows, but I guess a scarecrow.
What bird is a crow?
Yeah, like it's a scarecrow. Or not a scarecrow. What the fuck is wrong with my brain, bro?
Yeah, you're losing it. What are you asking me? What
Crow.
bird is it?
Yeah, like what is a crow?
A raven.
That's a crow?
Pretty sure. I mean,
All right, what do I think
Pretty-
about crow? Let's see. I mean,
dump it.
see, the problem here. I would actually say that crow looks okay. So let's like talk high time frame for a sec. Crow, every break that crow had got a bigger break. So let's see. Look, like this for example. So if I pull up my date and range tool, which is not on my screen apparently.
I mean, technically, unless you count the wick, but
oh, here, price range. Okay, so like from here to here, it was a 30% move. Okay, and then from here to here, it was a 65% move. So in terms of like the actual growth, you know, this is bigger than this. So you would assume continuation, right? When it's weakening, that's when things start to become a little bit problematic for whatever it is that you're trading. Right now, Crow, you know, on October or whatever, had its big capitulation wick. It swept out all these lows, and these lows were ugly as shit. Actually, it wasn't. I don't think it needed to sweep it out, but whatever. It swept it out. Did it hit this?
yeah, I think so.
Front
Oh,
run it ever
barely.
so slightly. That's okay. It's not a huge deal. I mean, the problem is like because of this wick, this is your range. You know, like that's your range because of the wick. So, you know, do you need to come and take that low again? I would say probably not, because you already had a huge wick there, which means you shouldn't really draw the range this way, because that doesn't really serve us any purpose. You should draw it like this.
It is accumulating though.
Yeah. You should draw it like this. So the moment like this starts to break up, you know, you can probably get a back test and follow it. And I would target this high, probably the range high. Like you're probably going to make it up to here. Here's what I think could happen. Basically, either it breaks up like this and then you can get a back test long and probably hold it up to here, or it takes the low again and then you can get into a long down here and probably take it up to here. But it could actually be more than that, because like I said, these are large breaks, right? Like this one is increasing in size versus this one, and this is a sweep of this low. You don't really have structure to confirm that SFP because the structure is kind of wonky, but when you have a huge wick like that, you can't really
That's
really,
a SFP no matter what though.
it's an SFP, but you can't really confirm it because you don't have structure. But I would still, you know, I wouldn't say, oh no, we have to break this high to target this high. I wouldn't say that, because this is kind of an anomaly. So even if you break this, I would still look at it from a bullish standpoint until proven otherwise. Like if this breaks up and then along the way it flips back to bearish, well then, okay, we're going to talk about something else, right? But I do think that this wick could result in coming back up to this high. And then, you know, maybe you get, like this was up 30%, this was up 60%. Maybe the next one you're up, yeah, like one or 90% or whatever. It does look like it's accumulating. Crow, to me, right now, looks like the better of the altcoins. that
Swing
I've
long.
seen. Yeah, like
NFA.
it looks not bad to me. Looks not bad to me. Army Piper, what's up? Raven is a raven. You can train them to steal money from people. Oh, crows? A crow's a little gay version of a raven. Crow can be the next BNB. Crow is just crypto.com, right? Isn't crypto.com like... See, I don't know about the fundamentals and shit. I only know trading. Okay, so you know, I don't disagree. Like, I believe you that Crow could be the next BNB, but like, what even is BNB? You know, like, I don't even know what that is.
I'll just say it. I bet you if you go down to the 4-hour time frame, that looks like a fucking beautiful model too.
On Crow?
Oh yeah.
Should you sell your house to Long Crow? I don't think so.
Yes.
Here's what I'll say. No, not yes. He doesn't mean that. Okay, wait. Before anything else, all content presented is a complete joke. Should not be taken seriously. Just an income at 5 2 3/4 want to be singing non-financial advisor. Crypto scam. Making money as possible. Global warming is real. The Earth's 5 year discretion is advised. That was like a decent one. That was like a 6 out of 10. 6 out of 10. 6 out of 10. So yeah, I mean, I don't know what all the alts look like. Lately, I've only been trading Bitcoin and Ethereum. Little bit of Solana. But I would say that Crow is looking not too bad.
Looking good.
It's looking, yeah, it's looking decent. It's not looking good. Like, it's not looking like, it's not looking good. You know, it's looking like it has potential. It's yeah, it has potential. It's not like good yet. I would say it's like neutral at the very best, but it's still more on the bearish side currently, but it has the potential, you know? Hey, now, can you check my question regarding structure in Nexus? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I can. Sorry, dude. Can you tag me in it? I should have checked that before. I'm sorry. I had a lot going on. Can you just like quote me to where that is again? This is you, right? Black R6. What cryptocurrency do I recommend investing in? I don't. You
just trade, brother.
Yeah, I just trade, man. I don't invest. I'm 90% cash, so you know, I'm probably not the person to ask. Yeah, I would say the best example or the best way I can answer that, and it's gonna be like it's not the answer you're looking for. It's the gayest answer, but it is the answer. Like, do your own research if you believe in whatever coin, you know, and you've done research and you calculated your plan. Like, whatever you decide to invest in, make sure that you have a plan before you invest in it, which means you need an entry and you need an exit. Okay, don't just like, okay, I want to buy Ethereum and then I'm gonna hold it forever. No, I'm buying Ethereum at 3,000, I'm selling it at 5,000. If it goes to 15,000, then whatever, but I stuck to my plan. That's what I would recommend. Me personally, I don't believe in cryptocurrency. I do not think crypto is the future. So I'm not invested in it. And I don't really, even if I did think it was the future, I don't really care because I just trade it anyway. Okay, so that's my honest answer. Okay. Yeah, let's answer this question. Okay. All right. Hey guys, can someone check if I draw structure correctly? It's BTC 4 hour. You kind of find it difficult looking at structure based on the candle rule. Following big wicks is confusing for you. Okay. Yeah. So here we have. This is kind of premium stuff, but it's okay. I'll still talk about it. But I, especially for non-Nexus people, I ask that you hit the like button because this is Nexus stuff right now. Okay. What's your structure here? 4 hour time frame. Let's move my pen to white.
Oh, you can draw on that picture?
Yeah. See? Okay, 4 hour structure. So what you have right now is from the low here. We're gonna just go from the low up. You have low, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, and then, okay, here's how I would draw it. This is fine. Okay. This is not good. And then the rest is fine. Here's the thing. The way that you have it drawn, you either need to go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, like that, or up, down, up. And the reason why is because of the candle rule, right? Here you have that rule, and this high took this previous high, so you would draw it up, down, and break, right? Here you have that rule, but this one big candle engulfs these two down candles, right? So this is not valid structure by any means. That being said, you know, I have a newer term, which is called Swift structure, okay? If anyone ever says Swift structure, they got it from me, okay? This is a term that I created. And basically, Swift structure is just like clean structure, like obvious structure. If it's not obvious, then it is not Swift structure. To me, the way I would draw it is just low, high, low, and then straight up. Because this is a range environment because of the engulfing candle. Nothing about this is what I consider Swift. Nothing about this is what I consider Swift. So to me, the structure is low, high, low, and then straight up, which is telling me that price is allowed to come all the way back down here, perhaps mitigate this demand before continuing higher if it wants to, because that is a break. Okay, so that's the very first one. Swift structure. I know I talk about the 2 candle rule, whatever, and it is important when things get sticky. However, a newer thing that I've been doing, and I keep saying that I am going to add it to the course, and I need to. I just haven't found the time. / I'm a little bit of a I forget about doing it. But is Swift structure. Okay, like if you have to question it, then either go 50-50 on it, because trading is subjective, right? You're never going to be 100%, or skip it. You know, if it like doesn't look clean, then don't consider it. Look at the next one. Okay, this one we have a whole bunch of shit going on. It's a whole bunch of shit. All right, let's move over here. What the fuck? Why did not work? All right, next. So your internal structure from this high, so we'll line it up, okay, is yeah, you got a lot going on here. You have a lot of shit going on here. Okay, how did you start? You said that's your 15, right? 1 hour. Okay, here's the thing. So this part of the 4-hour structure is wrong. Your structure stops here, okay? Because what happens, so this is the way I would draw it, right? You have the up, you have the down, and then you have the straight up. So until this high or this low gets touched, everything else is internal, okay? This is not right. Even let's forget about the left part, okay? Let's just say that you had it right. This is not a new 4-hour point, even though you got a bounce from here, okay? It needs to take the previous point. So this is the high that needs to get touched. Let's just say that this price action does come up and touch this high, then this becomes a new low. But until then, that's not correct. So what you have here is wrong, because if you're going to do a lower time frame pull, you're going to start it from here, not from here. So the way that I would draw it is like this, is the down, and then depending on the time frame that you're on, but what's Swift and what's not Swift? Just ask yourself that. Here's how you could draw it. You could draw it from high, low, and then that's it, because this is not a lower high until this low gets touched, right? So there's no point in even doing that. That doesn't give you any additional information, because ultimately this turns into a range, right? What you can do is you can go high, low, high, break, higher, low, higher, high, lower, low. Whoops, hold on. Let me make sure I don't want to rush it. I want to make sure that you understand this. Okay, guys, this is all Nexus stuff, by the way. Everything in here is Nexus, so you know, hit the like for that, because this is premium content that you guys are getting for free. So we have, here's how I would draw it. I would have the down, I would have the up, I would have the down, I would have the up, and then that becomes a break. None of this is Swift to me, so this actually comes up to here. Okay, then I would have higher low, higher high, lower low, lower high, lower low, SFP. That SFP means you're coming up to here. Break that high, not really by a significant amount, nonetheless. Then it comes back down, SFP again, comes back up, SFP again. So this is a very very interesting like area that you chose. It's definitely not for beginners. This whole like section, a lot of flip-flopping happened here, but that's how you would draw it. You would start it from here, and then you know, you're basically like your 1 hour structure, all it is internal to the 4 hour structure, right? But that's that one. And then this one is the same thing. Like, I don't need to go over this because, you know, the pull was incorrect from the beginning, so all of these charts are going to be wrong. But the long story short of what you need to remember is whenever you have a new structure level, you don't have a new point until, like, let's say it does this, right? You don't have a new point until either this low or this high gets hit. And if you have the Swift structure or 2 candle rule in this section. So if you go like this, then this low jumps up to here. And if you go like this, then this high remains where it is. And then if you do this and then this high jumps down to here. Okay, so I hope that helped.
GG.
Right. If 58k breaks on the monthly, then game over. It might go for low 30. Yeah, I agree with that. Thanks for streaming. Can I give you more details the way I enter? Yeah, I have many streams where I enter on stream, brother. The last few streams we actually entered on stream, so I would just recommend going back. And it's hard for me to explain because you need to know my premium stuff. So unless you're in the Nexus, then like I can't really explain it. You're not going to get it. Even if I tell you, you're not going to understand it.
True.
So yeah, you know, you can see the way that I trade in my live streams. You can see the way that I trade on my recap videos, because I do recap videos as well. So let me just give you a couple examples. If you just go to my channel,
E-bot?
Nuke it. If you just come to my channel and you just like go to my videos, you know, here, like up 10,000 today, whatever, how I made whatever. Actually, I think I have a playlist. Trade recaps, just like this trade recap. So you can see basically here. So, you know, you'll see how I enter from there. All right. Everyone can learn TA. The struggle that you have is execution. Yeah, execution and managing the trade is a whole beast in itself. Even I mess up on my execution, you know, from time to time.
Yeah, and then I have to fight him, beat him up.
Yeah, and then he yells at me.
Bad Geo.
And lower structure begins at the protected high. You mean when nothing is going on in the lower structure up to the point. Yeah, so like, so you could start pulls from anywhere. That makes sense, but you need to remember that it's a range as well. So let's use Crow as the example, right? Crow on, we'll just use high time frame. Crow has a huge wick here, right? So, you know, what's your structure? Your structure is this. From the high to the low, it's just this. It's up, it's down, it's up, and it's down, and that's it. But this doesn't serve me any purpose. This doesn't give me any information. How am I supposed to get into a trade with this? I have to wait for either this low or this high to go. You're going to be here for literally ever. So you need to decide, okay, well, where are you going to start the pull from in that case? Well, you can maybe now start it from here, even though it's internal. But you can say, okay, high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So if you get above here, then that may indicate you coming up to this next high. Right? It's just layers. That's all it is. Listen. Ogres, onions, and trading are like... Wait, what was the thing from Shrek 1? Jabs? You know when he's like, ogres are like onions? Yeah. Ogres, onions, and trading is all the same. They have layers. No live scalp today. I'm already in some trades, brother.
The problem is there's really no fucking PA guy.
I'm in trades right now. Like I took trades earlier today. But yeah, if there's no PA, like I can't, you know, if I see a trade, I'll take the trade, but there has to be a trade to take. You know, I don't just like the way I trade. I don't like enter just right where we are right now and then get out here. Like I don't do that, you know, it needs to be a setup. We're looking not bad on the day. Hopefully Soul keeps pushing. I should have longed Sui. I'm gonna start watching Sui.
Nah,
Sui moves nice.
Sui's a scam.
I agree, but it kind of moves nice though.
Only BTC.
Well, real traders only need BTC. You don't need any other shit.
Well, I'm trading BTC, so I'm a real trader. You're not.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying, guy. Yo, actually, in retrospect, I mean, just based on what I have here on the screen, ETH was pretty easy. Look at this. Swept the low. Actually, you didn't really sweep the low. Never mind. Did Biddy sweep the low? Oh, you have a huge SMT going on.
I knew that. Yeah. That's why I was trying to long.
Oh, yeah. That's all. Bro, anytime between... I mean, obviously you know this, but anytime between BTC and ETH, because one of them usually doesn't take the high or the low. Like, as long as that happens, it's fine. This was a very easy trade.
The long from the bottom?
Yeah.
I know. That's what I was saying. That's why me and Louis tried to long it.
Yeah, that was
we not tried long. We did long. Or I longed the last one. I don't know where the fuck Louis is. He's been gone forever.
That was a good trade.
I didn't even see the SMT though. I saw band 3.
Bro, you have to have the SMT up, man. It's like so good.
The indicator thing that Louis made?
I mean, it doesn't necessarily need to be the one that Louis made, but the idea behind SMTs. Well,
why wouldn't I use that one?
Whatever, it doesn't matter like which one. But like the point is, if you are watching the SMTs, you know, you can get into a lot of trades just looking at literally doing no TA except for SMTs. You can get into so many trades.
Tell them what a SMT is.
Man, they know what it is. I've said it so many times. The SMT is the divergence between correlating assets.
Well, I was just making sure for the people in the back.
Well, now they know. All people know. Look, I'm gonna show you. I'll find the super easy example. Of course, now that I'm on stream, I can't find one. Right here. Look how easy this shit is, bro. Boom, take the high. Boom, lower high. Broke structure, broke structure. That's a short. Send it. Nuke it. Down you go.
He bought, dump it.
Easy. And remember, kiddos, the only real divergences are SMTs. Remember, kiddos, there's no such thing as divergences using oscillators. Those don't work.
Guy said, you making me take out my laptop from my closet.
Look at this one. Oh, this one was fucking super hot, sexy. Look at that. Bang, bang. Lower high, lower low. Boom, broke structure. Boom, broke structure. Short it.
Dump it.
Easy. Remember, kiddos, everything you've been taught about the oscillators are incorrect. Don't try to use divergences with the RSI and other things like that. They don't work. You know it, I know it. Don't pretend like they do. Let's see if we have an SMT right now.
Triangles work.
Triangles work. Tori, if you're watching this, I know you're watching this. Like right now we have no SMT, so would we trade it? Actually, we have a potential SMT right here. We have potential SMT right there. So theoretically, if you break the structure here, we might be able to get a, maybe we get a back test short. I don't really prefer, I mean, I like the idea that this is an SMT, but I want to see kind of like low time frame SMTs as well. Like if this was making a lower high while this was making a higher high and then that broke, I would short it. This could still work, but you get it. Geo Megan, you want to take out the laptop?
Jungle Beats, holla at me.
On Bybit, we bounce exactly from local volume profile, but I was looking at KSEX chart, and you enter too early, very different between the two. Yeah, I mean, I'm not your dad, but I would recommend that you don't chart on KSEX. The volume, even if you trade on KSEX, don't chart on KSEX. Either chart on Bybit or Binance, because they have the most volume.
Mexi. Dumbo.
No, don't trade on Mexi, or don't chart on Mexi. Bybit or Binance.
What two charts are you comparing there? ETH and Bitcoin.
Yeah, ETH and BTCZ.
BTCZ.
Yo, there was I don't know if you saw this, but there was you know who Peter Schiff is, obviously.
Yeah.
Bro, that guy. So there was like he did not in a documentary. He did a debate with the guy that owns Binance. And
yeah.
It was like I don't really care about debates and shit, but this one was like, it was pretty good. And basically the guy the owner of Binance was like, because you know Peter Schiff hates Bitcoin and like just thinks it's worthless. And yep. they had a debate, and to be honest, like every single point that Peter was saying, I think he absolutely ate the other guy. Like in the terms of that debate, Peter destroyed the owner of Binance. And then everybody in the comments was like, nobody actually gave a rebuttal to what he was saying. The only thing that they said was like, he's so blind. But anyways, it was a good debate.
Any argument.
Yeah, no actual rebuttal to anything he said. Like anything he said everything he said was like to a T. You know, he doesn't like Bitcoin for like, he basically my whole Bitcoin is a religion. Like my way of saying it is just better and shorter than everything he preaches. He's just like, well, there's no value. The only value is that people are trying to get rich and they think that like they're buying it now so that they can sell it to someone else higher later. Anyways, it was a good debate and I watched it this morning.
GG.
GG, I'm in million draw. Milo D. All right, let's take. So that creates a true divergence. Well, an SMT is a divergence between correlating assets. And those are the only divergences that are real. Every other divergence is Mickey Mouse. Like, look at this, right? This is a divergence between correlating assets.
GG. Up billions. He bought.
You take my money, oh well, I'm in need. He bought Moon It.
Dump it. I can't wait to trade fucking Asia tomorrow night, bro. I'm so sick of this fucking up $100, down $100 all day.
Yeah, I don't know how you even did this. I even yesterday when I was working.
Only good one I caught all day was this, bro. Listen to this. Me and Lewis were like looking at that Model 2. And I entered on that thing, got up to VWAP, and I was like, fuck it. Like, I thought it was going to run more because we saw a Model 2 on earlier in the day that, like, really moved. So I was like, well, maybe this one will do the same thing. So I didn't end up TPing it at VWAP. And, like, bro, my stop loss was literally, like, I had a whole Bitcoin in. Like, one Bitcoin, my stop loss was, like, $60, bro. If I lost the trade with fees, it was like $60, right?
Yeah.
It took 2.5 hours to get back down to my entry, and then another 20 minutes to stop me out.
Wow.
Like I sat there like literally 3 hours.
That's crazy.
on a $60
Yeah,
stop.
man,
On Bitcoin.
100%, bro.
Like, what the
that
fuck
shit
are we
is
doing?
that shit is a scam. That shit is a scam.
Everyone's like, what are you guys
Yeah,
doing?
weekends are hard, bro. Weekends are very
Especially
difficult.
Saturday, because at least Sunday you have a fucking Asian session.
Yeah, I mean, Asia's been
To be honest with you, brother, Asia's been like giving the best fucking setups ever. To be honest with you.
no, it's been I think it's been London. Usually the setup happens during London, in my opinion.
I saw it, bro. Remember the one that I was texting you about when I was at the fucking when I was out and I was like, dude, like look at this. I was like, short this motherfucker.
Yeah.
That
Yeah,
was
I remember.
that was like an hour and a half after Asia.
All I know is that New York lately has been shit. New York's been bugging. Do I not use Cipher anymore? Man, you guys with that question. You guys with that question, man. Yes, I use it for entries. Here, let me let my past self answer your question.
There's a div, short it.
Oh, say word. CryptoFace is there? That's sick.
Oh, he's gangster?
Let me show you guys. This is the answer to that question. Asked questions is Gio, why don't you use Market Cipher? One of my most frequently asked questions is Gio, why don't you use Market Cipher anymore? And guys, I still do use Market Cipher. I've said it in the stream many times. However, I do not use it the way that I used to. I only use it for help with my entries now. I do not use it for directional bias, okay? When I'm doing my TA, I have no indicators up. I don't even put the vector candles up anymore. I do it completely clean. I look for my levels. I come up with my bias. I come up with my plan. And then when we come into my levels, I am looking at Market Cipher and other tools to help me actually enter. So I'm using it for help with my execution. This is a great example of where Market Cipher comes in clutch because I'm in a long zone, as you can see here. Could this long work out? Yes. But is it likely to work out given the way that Market Cipher looks with the money flow? Probably not. So even if I was going to take a position here, which I still would be, I am a little bit more reluctant and I'm definitely more on the cautious side because Market Cipher is telling me, especially with money flow this thick. I mean, have you guys ever seen it this thick before? I don't think I have. That's the answer to your question, sir.
He said, sorry, I'm new to watching you. Don't come
No,
at
it's all
him,
good.
bro.
It's all good. No, I'm not.
I'll yell at you. Guy.
I'm not mad at it. I'm just saying, like, no, I'm answering the question. Do I trade
Look at that
Nasdaq or
RFI
ES?
div.
I have an on and off relationship with ES and NQ, but I do want to start trading ES and NQ consistently. The problem is that because I run an entire network, it's a little bit more difficult because I have to the primary people in my network are crypto, so it makes it a little bit hard for me to like do everything. But I want to find a medium where I can trade both futures and like traditional markets and crypto at the same time. And I think that because as of the last like 2 weeks or so, I primarily only do BTC and ETH, I'll be able to do like my dream lineup is USDT, BTC, ETH, ESNQ. That's it. Like 5 pairs. 2 of them correlate with each other. 2 pairs of, pairs. That's it. Honestly, if you're scalping, you can't really trade too many assets. Yeah, man. You don't need to. That's the thing, right? Like the altcoin people and the moon boys and whatever, those are just, they're not traders. Like real traders are not trading, Moondang, right? Could you get Moondang? Yes. Could it make you a lot of money? Yes. But are big people putting big money in Moondang? Not real traders. Gamblers, sure, but not real traders.
I mean, it does look pretty fucking good.
No, it looks, I mean, if you caught that, GG. Like, I'm not knocking anybody that did, but are you like, maining Moondang? Like, are you maining it? No, exactly. That's all. That's what I meant. That's what I mean by that.
I mean,
Yeah, no, I'm not denying that, but that's what I'm saying, right? That's what
no doubt about that.
I mean, to trade, it looks horrendous. If you got in, cool. You know? Like,
Oh,
this
yeah,
is
yeah,
not
yeah.
tradable.
To me, if you
Where's
just
it-
show
how
me
fa-
that,
Let me see how fast this happened. Bro, okay. This is the 5-second time frame. Okay, look.
oh my god, yeah, you couldn't do that.
Like, this whole thing happened in 9 minutes. Do I
Yeah,
still next to
fucking-
stream the weekly close tomorrow? It depends on what price action does, right? Like the Sunday stream is based on what the price action is, right? Sometimes usually I'll either do a stream on Saturday or Sunday.
We should stream it on here, or wait, nah, dude, yeah, whatever. But dude, I'm gonna start streaming.
Man, you should.
No, I'm kidding. I'm not doing YouTube. Fuck that.
Yeah. YouTube can be fun, but it can also kind of like, you know, suck a little donkeys sometimes. Like, I don't mind, you know, obviously that's why I do it, but for me, man, it's just like sometimes it's like when you work so hard, like YouTube is a full-time ass job. You work so hard and like people are unappreciative and shit. That's when I am like, okay, well, why am I doing this then? You know, like, I'm here to help you guys. I don't need to fucking be here. That's the part of YouTube for me that like deters me. I'm like, okay, well, if people are gonna not be appreciative, like, you know, it's like a chef that makes food for nobody to eat it. Why would he do that, or she do that? You know what I'm saying? Trader Jabs?
No, I hear you loud and clear, yeah.
All right, let's see if we can get into something. Yeah, I don't really see anything right now. Dun, 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 dun. Here's what I would take. You see my screen?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, if ETH comes up and sweeps this high and flips there, and then Bitcoin comes up and doesn't sweep its high and flips there, producing this SMT, I will take that. And then breaks the low.
Yeah, we'd probably be above Banderino. Ooh, Model 2. Look at that. How nice. Model 1 on ETH, Model 2 on Bitcoin. That's what you just drew.
This I would take. So sweep the low, take care of this ugly candle. You know, wipe this bitch out. Type thing. Wipe that out.
Dump
Bounce
it.
up. This makes a lower high. ETH makes a higher high with the structure flip. I would take that. And I would take that. Your TP1 would be here. TP1 would be here. No, I lied. No, I would actually hold that more than there. I would take it down to... I would probably take it down to the low.
Yeah, I agree.
I would take it down to the low. So we'll see if we get it. But it kind of needs to happen like the stars need to align for it.
Relatively quick. We're losing VWAP on Bitcoin right now. There was just no trade for me. Unlucky.
So like the person that asked the market cipher question, right? Here's the thing, right? So like, look at how I'm drawing what I want. Look at how I'm not pulling it up right now. Okay, if I pull it up right now, then what does that mean? That means that I'm using it for directional bias, and I do not use it for directional bias. Let's just say in an hour or something, what I have drawn out is happening. Then I open up market cipher, right? Like, because if I see it now, I'll be like, oh, it looks good to short now, and then I'll short it, and then it'll do what I initially wanted it to do, and I'm like, well, what the hell did I just do? I'm an idiot, right? Like, the thing about market cipher is unless it's ready, it can like mislead you, and I'm done being misled by indicators. So when I see what I want to see, then I resort to market cipher. I do not resort to any indicators to help me with what I want to see. And then let's just say that there is a short from here. And let's just say that market cipher called it. Great. I'm not interested in that trade. When I see what I want to see, then I open up the indicator. When I don't see what I want to see, I don't give a fuck about what the indicator is saying.
GG.
Cause I'm your bad, really, really. Funny enough, the money flow on market cipher can give some decent trend direction. Yeah, it definitely can. I just can't trust it. I can't trust it for directional bias. And for me, that shit went out the door when the 3-day time frame on Bitcoin right here. Like if I put the replay tool on and you don't know what's happening, when you see this and you see divs out the ass, divs on the 3-day, money flow coming out, divs across cycles, what else do you want? And then it just comes down a little bit and then pops out again. Yeah, no. I can't trust it. Maybe for others it works, directional bias. For me, it does not. Does not happen for me. Wish it did, but it doesn't.
He bought.
Moon it. All right.
Sweep below and then
Wyckoff,
go up.
the new holy grind market cipher for you in my journey. Wyckoff,
Wyckoff
the new
is fire.
Wyckoff is the king, bro. Nothing beats market structure and range theory.
Where is Mr. fucking range theory, by the way?
Where? Yeah.
He said he asked me, he messaged me a while ago asking about flooring to put on concrete with no subfloor.
Is he? Has he been in the chat at all today?
No, I don't think so. And then he sent me a video.
White Phoenix, join the chat.
And then he said he was moving. He asked me for the VWAP thing, and then he said he was moving his garbage bin at like 11 a.m. That's the last I heard from him.
Oh, today? Oh yeah, he did pop in the chat, right? He like posted that stream.
Yeah.
Oh, and he posted the BitBoy thing.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what is this? I didn't even see Jet posted this. Hold on, we're gonna watch this together. I didn't even see this.
Wait, Colombia what? Like actual Colombia? Why are you living in Colombia?
It's the cocaine capital of the world.
Oh. Bro, I have kids that watch this stream. I have kids. We can't be.
Dude, when girls like call you bro. Jabby Patty, do you fuck with when like bitches call you bro? Do they ever call you bro?
No, that's weird.
It's so weird. And when they like try to like dab you up and shit, that's so weird to me. Like I don't do the whole hand thing with girls, and even like props girls. Like I don't really do that. I like it. You know what I mean?
No, I hear you. Yeah.
Like
For
that
sure.
shit's fucking weird.
Accumulation, or what is a Model 1, Model 2, that stuff? Do you have a vid on it? It's complicated.
Yeah. It's in the course. In the whole course.
It's not really that complicated, actually. But you just got to know when they're going to work and when they're not. That's the difference. You got to be in like if you're in key areas, there's nothing better than a Wyckoff. Absolutely nothing.
It's all in the course, man. EnterTheNexus.com.
Get off your phone, guy.
Well, we're waiting for this shit to do what we want it to do, right? And it's actually like the potential is kind of there right now. It's kind of setting the stage right now. Here's the thing though. ETH needs to not take this high. If it takes this high, there's no trade.
Well, they can both Model 1 Bozo.
Yeah, well, okay, then I would need to have structure like more on my side. But right now we're actually getting a bullish SMT if this decides to pop up here. I'm not convinced that we're quite there yet. Oh, we'll see. I don't have any trade right now though. Bum, 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 bum. You thought it only plays out on the high time frames? What? Accumulations and stuff? Not at all, bro. You can find 30-second accumulations and
That work.
distributions. Yeah.
2-minute ones are my
This is
best
an-
friend.
This is an accumulation right here. You can find them everywhere. Right here is a distribution. Look, distro. Boom, boom, boom. Distro. Why can't it take the high? It can't take the high because then you. Okay, let me rephrase. When I say it can't take the high, like I'm saying for what I want to see. And the reason why is because Bitcoin took the high. If ETH comes and takes the high again, then it invalidates the SMT, which means I'm not very confident in the idea. I rather it hold the SMT. I think it's going to break the high anyway, but I'm just saying for what I want to see for me to actually enter.
If you look at like the 4-hour, bro, there's a fucking massive SMT between Bitcoin and Ethereum. Like a bullish one. Huge. Huh?
Do we? No, we don't.
Fuck yeah. Bro. What do you mean?
Where?
Look at the difference of, or wait, let me see ETH.
The ETH
ETH
is
never
one on the
swept it.
bottom.
No, ETH never swept the low there, bro.
Oh, you said 4-hour, bro. I thought you were like, okay, yeah, if you come to like the 10. Yeah, I agree. I agree.
Wait,
This is like 10-minute shit.
Which one are you drawing? Wait, which one are you
This
drawing?
is the 10 right now, but you said 4-hour. On the 4-hour, there's no.
Yeah,
SMT.
okay. Go look again. Let me show you something. Go look one more time.
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on, wait. I'm on your YouTube. That's why it's lagging for me, so I can't. Hold on. All right. Go to the like last 4-hour candle. Wait. Those are timed up correctly, no? Or
Yeah. Like it moves together.
Okay. Hold on, I might be tweaking. Go back to
You
like
are
put
tweaking.
your mouse over the big pump candle.
Here.
Yeah. Okay, ETH never swept that low. The next one, bro.
Oh, this low. Oh, you have an SMT like this.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, I don't really like SMTs like that unless I can like validate it with structure. I
Yeah, I'm
guess you're
just
not
saying that-
wrong. Yeah, I guess you're not wrong. You're definitely not wrong.
Because, well, just the fact that ETH didn't go back and recover that whole move up is fucking crazy. But you know what I mean?
I agree.
Yeah. That's
I mean,
what
I'll
was
tell you
saying.
this. Like, you know, obviously I'm long still. So
He bought?
if I'm long, that obviously means I think it's going to go up. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens here.
Moon
I'm
it?
just trading this local range. That's it.
Quit being such a baby.
Who, me?
Such a big dog. No.
I watched your course today over time frames. Do I find 6, 12, 24 complete shit because you thought it was good because it's not usual like retail? You have it from Jason. Yeah, Jay likes using 6, 12, 24. Those are not institutional time frames. I'm an institutional trader. I trade alongside the smart money. So, you know, do I ever look at a 24-minute order block? No, I don't. But at the end of the day, so no, I don't use those time frames personally, but you know, I kind of don't even use time frames at all. If you're newer, you're not going to understand what I'm about to say, and I've said this many times, but like I'm a pretty unconventional trader. I don't believe in time frames. Everybody focuses on the time frames. It's not about the time frames, it's about the price action.
Facts.
So I frankly don't give a shit about what the 12 and 24 are doing. No different than I don't give a shit about what the 15 and 30 are doing. It's about the price action. What's happening, right? Time is just a different way to interpret, like, based on how much data you want in front of your face. Like,
I could give you an example to make it easier for them to see.
Yeah, pull it up.
Well, no, I'll tell you how to do it.
Okay.
Okay, go on the 30-minute.
Yeah.
Go to okay, do you see that? Where is it? On BTCZ. Oh yeah. Okay, go back. Zoom in on like recent price action, right? Do you see that fork bottom that me and Lewis were looking at longing?
Where?
Nope.
Here or here?
Oh, to the right. Way to the right.
Here.
No.
Here. Here.
Yes. That one.
Okay.
That one. Now, so
Yeah.
this is what it looks like. You could study this, right, as a pattern on whatever you want, right, on Bitcoin or what, or like, you know, that. So like this is on the 30-minute chart. Now go back to the 2-minute. Go to the 2-minute. Look what it looks like. It's just a Wyckoff.
Yeah.
See what I mean? So it's like we see the same stuff. It's just like, are you studying the forks? Are you studying the Wyckoff patterns?
Man, I'll show you a better example. Like, okay, if you go to the 30, this is what it looks like. If you go to the 24, it looks the exact same. Like, is the 24 giving you any secret then over the 30? No, it's literally the exact same thing. Right? It's literally the exact same thing. It just like, okay, look at this SFP, right? Look at this SFP. So right now I'm on the 24. This SFP is not an SFP on the 30. It's a break on the 30, but does it change anything? No. Because this is not a tradable SFP. It's not a confirmed SFP anyway. Right? So the best way that I can explain it is that timeframes don't matter. And I promise you, I can't say nobody has ever said that before, but I can say that I've never heard it from anybody, number one. And even my mentor, like, never mentioned that. And number two, maybe 1% of the creators will ever say something like that. Maybe, right? Everybody's like, oh, 5-minute scalping strategy. But it's not about 5-minute scalping strategy. It's about what's happening, right? Like, I can trade on any time frame because I'm not trading the time frame. I'm trading the price action. Get it? That's the point with buckets and confirmed structure. Yeah, exactly. That's why I also created time frame buckets. So if you ever hear anybody say that, you know, I group my time frames so that I can have like still an objective way to interpret structure pulls. But you know, me, someone that's been doing this for a long time, I can see structure on all time frames at all time of the day. I don't need to know the time frame specifically. Price action over time frames. By the way, what I wanted to happen is kind of happening. Oh, look, that's actually exactly happening. Okay, so look, earlier I didn't see this shit, but you see how I had it drawn out earlier. I said I don't want Ethereum to take this high. I want Ethereum to take this high, and I want Bitcoin to not take its high. Now you have a bearish SMT. Now this is looking like a good trade. We start closing below here, we can start to enter. Now I'll tell you this. What did I say earlier? I said I do not look at market cipher or any other indicator until I'm ready for entry. Now I'm ready for entry. Now I open up market cipher. Now I'll say, all right, well, we have the divs and whatever. Am I going to enter based on the divs? Fuck no. Because the only real divergence is the divergence between Bitcoin and Ethereum. Yes, Bitcoin and Ethereum are diverging right now, but how do I confirm the divergence? I need to see some form of structure flip. And by the way, everything that I'm saying right now is taught in the course. So when you start to break this, then we can start refining entry. Until then, who's to say that this won't SFP and rotate back up? And because I trusted the divergences on an indicator, I ended up getting smoked. No, I don't trade that way. That's not the way that I operate things. But does this now look good for a short? Yes, it does. Now that I see this and I'm long on Ethereum, I must de-risk. Whether I de-risk by taking profit, or whether I de-risk by closing, or whether I de-risk by putting my stop loss at break even, if we start to close below this line, I must de-risk. Or I can head short. I must de-risk. But until I see what I want to see, there's no trade. And this is a perfect example for all the people that say, oh, I don't use it anymore. This is exactly when I use it. And not one moment before that you just saw right now, am I going to pull it up? Because I can't trust any of the divs. Look, what if I trusted this one? What if I trusted this one and I went in big and then now I just got taken out and I just got smoked? And I'm going in big money, right? The way that I trade teaches you how to get in with absolute precision and gives you the confidence to put big money in. Okay? Like, we really do this, you know? When I say we're the A side, we are the A side by far. It's not even close. We are the A side. Like I really do this. The people in the Nexus see me do this every day at 24 hours a day. I'm giving real-time updates all the time. Like we really do this. You know what I mean? What if I just shorted right now because of the div? Now I'm in drawdown because I listened to this. Well, what if it doesn't work? Right? So this is a perfect example of how I use market cipher and the indicators. I don't use them for directional buys. I don't give a damn as far as I'm concerned.
Lord, yeah.
What do I think will happen on daily on the next week? I don't know.
Dump it.
Depends on what happens today. Depends on what happens tomorrow.
Go sweep the low. If anyone in here is bullish, we want the low to go again, or it's fucked.
I don't want the low to go again.
Yeah, but if it does, that could be tap 2. I'm just saying.
I know,
But
I don't want it to go again because it's harder to trade later.
What do you mean?
If it starts to accumulate here, then there's a possibility that that we do go for another all-time high. And,
yeah.
And I don't want it to do that. Not because I don't want another all-time high, but because it's harder to trade. If we have the second tap, okay, let me paint you a verbal picture here. If we have the second tap, okay, and then we pop up and we break structure bullishly, okay, second tap, we pop up, we break structure bullishly, then no, it is okay. Actually, let me just draw you what I'm trying to say instead of
the only way we could flip the 12-hour bullet
hold
unless
on.
you pat.
I don't care about the 12-hour. Look. Let me just draw it out. So here's the thing, right? We're very clearly, you have an aggressive downtrend. Okay. Forget about everything else. Just that, right? If we do take the low again, your structure is going to be like this. You're going to break up, right? Let's just say on this leg, you come all the way up to like 107. Now, you don't know if it's going to be this. Right? I should have done this in a different color. So let's make this black. You don't know if it's going to be this or if it's going to be this. So all-time high, like if it does accumulate from here, it becomes harder to trade later. I know it's
Why
fun.
are you pulling it from the high though?
Say again.
What, like that's not what I got structure-wise from the high.
I don't care, man. It doesn't matter about structure. It's the price action. What's your high time frame shit? You like what is it objectively? You have up, you have down, you have up, and then you have a straight leg down. If you go to a weekly time frame, that's what it looks like. There's no pullbacks on this leg down. There's been no relief yet. So if this happens, it might do this or it might do this. And so it makes it harder to trade for later. But if it doesn't accumulate, right?
Well, that's what I'm saying. Imagine we fucking
No, but
accumulate.
if it doesn't accumulate, if it doesn't take the low again, then I'm way more convinced that it's going to do this. It makes it way easier. I don't even need to talk about, if we don't get an accumulation, there's no point in even discussing all-time high. If we get an accumulation, then not only do we have to discuss all-time high, but we have to discuss the opportunity, like the potential of lower high, lower low.
Yeah.
So it makes it harder to trade for later. That's the short story of it.
So we're on the same page. If we don't take the low, it's not going back up there.
If we like, there's a possibility that it could obviously just do this forever, but it's very unlikely. Unless this low goes again, and I'm actually convinced that 74K is gonna go. I don't see why 74K would not go. It seems a little bit foolish, in my opinion anyway, to think that it's not gonna go or it can't go. I think that's very, very foolish. But like I at this point in time, I'm like 80% sure that this low is gonna go. When and where, I don't know. I don't know how long it's gonna take and how it's gonna happen. But as of right now, things can change. But as of right now, right? So especially if we just keep going up from here, these are when we get those huge ass shorts, right? That's when you get this. Because all it is rim C on the high time frame and leaving nothing but liquidity. That's why I wanted to come up and take 96K. Because we had so much liquidity that we could come for later. It's easier to trade right now. If things go up, they're way easier to short later. And I don't care if it goes up or down. I just want easy.
Yeah,
You know
but
what
I
I'm
mean, a
saying?
fucking Model 2 on the 12 hour or something, on the daily, on the low, that's pretty fucking easy, dude. You just, you know.
Yeah,
10
but I'm not saying it's not easy, but I'm saying that it's harder for later.
No, I agree. Yeah. Okay. I
For
hear you.
later, yeah.
But
Yeah,
I'm
it's an
my
easy long. For sure it's an easy long, but that's also if it does it, you know what I mean? Like, who knows, guy? Like lately, none of this shit on the downtrend has been working. Like, let's call a spade here. We've had accumulations that just fucking shit the donkey, you know?
Yeah, but not a big one.
I mean,
Not
yeah,
a 12-hour one.
you're not wrong, but I mean, like, yeah, you're not wrong. There's no but. You are not wrong. I'm just saying.
I'm just saying, if we take the low and put in tap 2, like, bro, this thing could fucking rocket. The thing is, let me tell you.
I agree.
I don't think we're bullish. I don't think that we're bullish on the... I know we're not bullish on the 12-hour until... Do you see that, like, last little hump before we, like, absolutely...
Yeah, 107. 107.
Yeah. If we close 12-hour above that, then we're back bullish. But the problem is that everyone forgets is we could come all the fucking way back down to 81 and still be bullish.
You mean no? You mean no? Oh, you mean if we come up to here?
Yeah. If we just go straight up to there, yeah, we could come all the way back down, even SFP the low, and still be bullish.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, 100%. So right now, like, there is zero evidence to suggest that we can even, like, no one is allowed to talk about all-time high until, first of all, 111 is broken. You can't, if anybody's talking about all-time high prior to 111K, unfollow them. Because there's absolutely zero evidence to suggest that. And unless you have an accumulation, then you can talk about the possibility. If we have an accumulation here, then you have the possibility of going to 111. If you can break 111, then we can discuss all-time high. But if that doesn't happen, if anybody right now that's saying, oh yeah, we're accumulating down here, no, we're not. And we're going to go to all-time high for sure by next week, next month, no, we're not. There's zero evidence right now to suggest that. And if someone makes a crazy call like that, and it happens, they're inconsistent. I can promise you, anybody that's calling for all-time high right now, whether they get it or not, they are not profitable. I promise you on that.
It would have been even better if we would have swept the low. Fucking
73K, then we moon and close the year at all-time highs. Yeah. I mean, I said what I said prior to what I read, but I don't know. I disagree with you.
I don't want the low to go before 99/100. Hit
levels matter more, and what
it.
price does at those levels. I know Geo doesn't like higher time frames, but time frames like weekly and monthly show the real obvious levels are much easier to read. Yeah, it's just different. Like, are you swing trading? Are you scalping? You know.
Could be. Paul, that was funny.
They are absolutely going to take out liquidity at 74K. The question is, will it be before or after the Fed meeting? Yeah, I don't know.
Oh yeah, we got that on December 10th, so lock in.
Oh, okay.
FOMC rate
Why
cut.
do I like
all
the
that
2 minute versus the 1 or the 3?
Because it's longer than the 1 and shorter than the 3.
Yeah. No, bro, I just
better.
Man, like, I don't. It's all the same. Like, if I go to the 1, it's the same as the 2, and it's the same as the 3. Like, it's like, what is so okay? Like, if I just switch back and forth, like, if you show it to an infant, okay, if you show these 3 pictures side by side, like the time frame side by side to a little kid, he won't even know the difference. So I don't care about what any. It's the price action. It's not about the time frame. So I don't like the 2 more than I like the 1. Right? It depends on what's happening. It depends on how much data I want to fit on the screen, right? Lately, I've been kind of liking the 30-second, right? Which is kind of, you would think it's crazy, but it's not that crazy. It's about the price action. So look at what's happening here. For example, on Bitcoin, you had a move down. and then you have a high, and then you have a low. This low is an SFP, and then here you have a 30-second Model 1 accumulation on the low. So the moment you break this high, you can long right there. Right? You can long here. You can put your stop here. This entry is a Model 1 accumulation based upon this SFP, which means my target, my TP1 are these highs. You also have equal highs here. Right there, that's a 3.3 risk to reward trade. That's easy work. But this is on the 30-second, right? Could you see it on the 2-minute? You can see it on the 2-minute as well. Can you see it on the 3-minute? It's no, not as clear on the 3. So in this case, the 2 and the 30-second and the 1-minute would have prevailed the 3. But does it matter in the end? No, it's about what's happening. I could have done this on the 15-second time frame or the 5-second time frame. So it's not about the time frames. That's what I'm trying to explain. You know, people are too consumed with the idea of like, what's the best time frame? What's the perfect time frame? And I'm not saying it's you guys, but if you go on YouTube, you just search like trading best time frame, there's going to be many videos and many searches on that. People like, oh, what's the easiest one? What's the best one? Or 5-minute scalping strategy. Well, I don't interpret time that way. For me, the time is 9:06 p.m. I don't know why we're talking about. Like if you look at the time on a digital clock versus a regular clock, it's still going to say 9:06. So like, what are we talking about here? You know?
GG. Updraw.
Moon draw.
He bought Moon it.
Moon rock in my cone. H. Is it an SFP because the candle does not clearly close under? No, it's an SFP because it's not breaking structure. It's accumulating on that low. This is a range SFP. If this was destined to be a break, why is it accumulating? Right? It should not be accumulating if it is destined to break. What it's supposed to do is this. Look, you have low, high, and then low and break. There's no accumulation here. Here, there's an accumulation right after we get the break. Why? Why is it accumulating here? The only answer is to come back to this side. And then this is supply here. So maybe this accumulation is to come up, sweep these highs, and then rotate back down. But in fact, what ended up happening was that this supply turned into a flip zone instead. You broke that high, came back down to back test the demand. So here, there's a couple trades you could have taken. And this is on, let's go back to the 30-second time frame. Look, this is the shit I teach in my videos, right? You have a Model 1 accumulation and you broke structure bullishly, okay? M1A broke structure bullishly. You're going along right here. Wherever, doesn't matter. Let's give it a little bit of room too. Stop below the low. This is supply. This supply has inducement on it and you have equal highs. TP1 is on this high. Then you come up to here, okay? Right here, supply, somebody's home because they hit the supply and they popped out, okay? Somebody's home, they popped out. Supply's here, they weakened it, right? They knocked on the door, give me your lunch money, broke in, okay? Now this turns red because this is a supply zone or a flip zone, okay? That supply was our created demand. That demand goes green, just like the way I teach it in my course. What happens here? You sweep it out ever so slightly. That's fine. And then you pop out. This could have been along right here. That's your demand. That's your stop loss. Give it a little bit of room. And then up you go. Right? Nothing I don't teach in the course. EnterTheNexus.com. Like I said, we really do this. Like I show this live in my real-time channel. I update that thing like 50 times a day. Okay, it's like borderline annoying for these guys. Like I said, if these guys can't trade in front of you, they're not real. Don't believe it. Like right now, am I tweaking here? Not really, because this is demand right here. So we're going to find out right now. Does this trend break? You have low, high, low. Does that break? And if so, how does it break? What did we hit? Right now, I can tell you this. There's demand here that we could come for. So if it does something like this, let's say the same thing that happened down here happens here. So look, I'll just copy paste it. Look, let's just say this does the same thing, right? We have one more low. We come down one more time. SFP this low, accumulate into this demand zone, then I'm gonna long it. Why would I not long that? You know? But if that does not happen and we continue, like right now we're in supply. So would you long here? Despite what the oscillators tell you, no, you would never long here. I would never long here. Even if it does that, that doesn't mean it's a good trade, right? So we're gonna see right now, is somebody home? If they push it down and then they pop it out, then you can long this. Otherwise, I would want one more low at the very least for longs. So I watched 5 and 6 later, then it's clearer for me. Yeah, no, you don't need to be sorry, bro. But yeah, what I do recommend for anybody is take like start a module, okay? Start a module. Write down your questions while you're watching. Because a lot of the time, people's questions, I answer it later in that module. Right? Like write the questions and then watch it a couple times. It's not a long course. It's very clear. It's very concise. The #1 course on the internet by far. Tell me I'm wrong.
GG. He bought?
Moon it. He dumped? Nil it. You know in like soccer they say nil?
Yeah, like fucking 1-0 or whatever.
1-0 Brazil. 1-0 Brazil.
Oh, it's 1-0 or whatever. Is Solana gonna dump? Who knows?
Yeah, I don't know. I hope not. I'm long on Sol. What's the first thing I look for before taking a trade? It's not like one thing. It's everything at the same time. It's everything all at once. You have to look at liquidity, you have to look at supply and demand, you have to look at your range deviations, you have to look at like structure. You have to look at risk to reward, you have to look at reconfirmations. You have to factor in market context. Okay, not sentiment, context. Sentiment is for amateurs. People that trade the fear and greed, amateurs. Yeah, listen to K-Pack. Join the Nexus. Link in the description down below. Enter thenexus.com, the #1 trading network on the planet by far. By far, by far, by far. We are the A side.
All right. Come back down.
Yeah, we're gonna see what happens here on this supply zone. I don't
What's the
really
model
know. I don't really know what I want it to do right now. I wouldn't. Yeah, I the only thing that I would consider is if we come down here, I will maybe take a scalp long. I'm not shorting this. It probably is a short, but I'm not gonna short it. I just don't like the timing right now. Like we're, you know, Saturday night, volume is pretty low. There could be a short here, but I just don't really. If we sweep this high and we hit this supply zone, I'll look into a short. But I just don't really like it right now. Otherwise, if we come down here and we accumulate, I will try a scalp long. Let's see, what's my target for Sol? Is this high? That's my like main TP. Well, that's my technical that's my technically my first TP is that. But if I need to take profit before that, then I will. But that's my TP, and it's just based around this, right? You have an SFP of the range low, you flip structure bullishly, you target the other side, right? What's my structure? Is this, but that's an SFP. So my target becomes this guy right here. I think I'm more interested in longing than shorting right now, but you never know. Who knows? So this, right? That's supply. Someone is definitely home. And we have this as well. So if we break above, if we do this, this is what we'll probably do. We'll probably come up, hit this. It'll do, if we do break above, it'll do one of two things. It'll do this, this, this. In which case, if we accumulate here, I will long. Otherwise, it will do this and then this. So you have to watch what happens. We don't predict, we react. You have a level at $80 for Sol on higher time frame, and if it loses that, Sol is cooked. Yeah, I had a level at 75 for like before we had our huge pump. Sol looks like it's a bear flagging for on a longer time frame. I mean, the whole market kind of looks like it's. I mean, I don't trade bear flags, but yeah, I think we could still sweep the range high. I actually think it's likely that we sweep the range high. When I say range high, I'm referring to this range high. So I think 134 is likely before we continue going. We don't predict. Bro said we don't predict while drawing. Well, we don't predict, we react, right? I'm not saying this is going to happen. I'm saying that, you know, these are the possible scenarios. And if it does this, like if it does this and then this, then I will long it. I'm not saying it's gonna do this. Right? You draw out the scenarios. It's either this, 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 or it's this, this. Am I predicting? No. I'm not predicting. I'm reacting to what happens. Very, very simple to understand. Oh, man. Jabby Patty. Trader Jabs.
Trader Jabs. We could have a short here, bro.
I mean, I don't disagree. We're gonna see what happens here. We're going to see what happens right here.
Moon it.
He longed?
Dump it.
Long it. Alex O Crypto's in the chat, says he can't even look at this PA. Then, my friend, you should go spend time in your beautiful home with your wife and your child and get the hell away from the charts, because this price action is absolutely grim.
It's dog shit.
Shouts out to Alexo.
Pump it.
Humper. So look at this, right? Like now, this supply zone, somebody's home. Somebody's home. So remember what I said earlier? If it does this and it does that, then, right? I said it's either going to do boom, 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 which it's doing now, probably up to here. And then if it does this into here, I'm longing. Or it can rotate down from here. Do I think it's going to do that? Probably not. But we'll see. I would say it's less likely. I would say what's more likely are the two options that I drew. Either this, this, this. And then from here, we figure it out. Yeah, see, this just got completely blown through. That's why you don't predict, right? You don't just say, oh, it looks like it's going to do this. No, we don't do that. I mean, I don't do that. And you guys know, like, I trade with absolute precision.
Bro, this looks like a fucking pretty fire distribution here.
Yeah, now we wait to see.
Right?
Like now we wait. Now we wait. I'm trying to lay you down easy. I like everything about the idea here, but there's only one problem. Actually, there's two problems. Problem number one is like this structure on ETH doesn't look nice to me. It's not really Swift structure. I mean, it kind of is. It's like half Swift structure. It's not really great. And if you pair that with the time of day right now, like it's Saturday night and volume is very low, I don't trust it. right? If ETH had some variation of Bitcoin, but it like Bitcoin's structure, which looks a lot cleaner than ETH's right now, and we had the SMT, and or it wasn't Saturday night, then I would be more open to the idea. I'm open to it still, but I just don't trust it at the moment. Like, yeah. So this is what we drew out not too long ago, right? We had our supply zone here. We came up, we hit the supply zone. We reacted off the supply zone. We said we're likely going to hit this next. Now we just hit it. Well, we're about to. Now, if it touches the box and if it comes down slowly and if it flips structure, then there's a long. Okay? Did you see how I said if it does this, if it does this, if it does this, then there's a long? Did you see how I didn't predict anything? This is what your long would be. Technically, you'd have to de-risk on the high. And then, to be honest, we probably could take it up to... I would honestly just shoot for the range high. I would go... Here's what I would do. I would probably de-risk there. I would go TP there. I would go either TP here or TP here. I would go either or. And then I would just let the rest run. That's what I would do. I think we could actually even see 92. I think we could see this before we go lower. This makes sense. This makes a lot of sense. Actually, this might be an amazing short. Hold on. I have to do TA. I'll do TA for the Nexus tomorrow. Nexus, one love. I love you. I'll do TA for you guys tomorrow morning. Like proper Nexus TA. I would do it here now, but the kiddos, I already gave away a lot for free. They got to pay.
Yeah.
I mean, 90 likes. I mean, sorry, 90 viewers and only 57 likes. That is almost a fail. If I was in grade 2 and I was doing a spelling test and I got 57 out of 90, my parents would have beat my ass. So, you know, my parents definitely wouldn't be giving me free TA if I came home with that grade.
Moon it. Moon it or no? Yo, Gio.
Yo.
Why you're face down in the phone, guy?
Because my friend she keeps sending me racist Instagrams. So they're funny. That's all.
You're dumb.
Oh my day.
Fuck.
So nothing to do right now. We might have a trade here soon. We might have a trade here soon. Dude, it's fucking freezing. I want to watch UFC. Jabby Patty. Are you using the breakout risk reward thing? Is it better? Like, did Mario make it easy for you?
Oh yeah, it's cool. It's awesome.
What does it do? It just calculates different fees and shit?
Yeah,
Fire.
it's pretty fire.
Damn, bro. Broke up like super tick. But by the way, the YouTube stats came out for everybody, and anybody that has me as their top watch, whatever. I appreciate y'all. One love. Thank you. A lot of people sent me that I was their top watch for YouTube. So, you know, one love. Have a good one, Alex. Thank you for stopping by, bro. God bless. We'll talk soon. Trader Jabs.
Trader Geo. I'm ready to short this, bro.
You're gonna short it?
No, not yet.
If we do this,
I got a plan in mind.
if we go bang, bang, I'll try it. Otherwise, we might have a long, to be honest. I don't know yet. When I see what I want to see, I will decide.
I just think it makes way more sense to go down to fucking 87.5-ish.
Yeah. I mean, the thing is, though, guy,
Okay, I'm hearing you.
the thing is, though, is that Soul just hit its target. Okay, I should TP. I should have TP'd. I was gonna say the thing is Soul didn't hit its target yet, but it literally did. So yeah, now I'm more. Let's see what USDT is doing. I didn't even check that shit. Okay, so my Soul long just hit TP, so we're chilling.
Did you get out?
I TP'd, yeah.
Close it.
No. Let's see. How do we look here? No, I'm not gonna close. I think we could have a little bit more juice.
Think so?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah, USDT. I haven't checked USDT at all. Yeah, man. Like, what is this shit, bro? Oh, I guess we did hit the demand zone though. Up, down. This is a range. This is the range that I gave the Nexus. Oh fuck. I mean, it's not that hard of a range to I interpret. We hit the low, and then your structure was down, up, down. Oh, sneaky. Down, up. Yeah, very sneaky. So that's the structure. Not as bullish as people think. Although, within the confinements of the range, this is empty. Which we can go and fill. We probably will fill that. Oh, and that will turn into a flip zone. Yeah, this looks not bad, but you're just we're just playing the range. That's all. And actually, look at this guy. What do you see? What am I going to tell you right now? What's happening right now? Let's go to the 3-minute. What's happening right now on USDT? Put you to the test.
Distributing?
No. What's happening on USDT?
Oh. Yeah. Distributing. What do you mean? What am I missing? Oh. Oh, that's on the fucking 10-minute. Doesn't it look like it's distributing though?
It could be this. Although I don't like that at all, but it could be.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
See, this looks like a decent short now. Oh wait, I'm not on Bitcoin. Yeah, see. Now we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out from here. It's either gonna bounce from here and then form a range here, or it's probably gonna come down to here. See, this is why patience. Right? I don't know what's gonna happen, but I react when I'm like, okay, there's nothing else that we could go for, or there is something else that we could go for. I react to it all. Oh my days! What time is it? 9:30? I gotta go get my food.
Yeah, me too.
All right, let's take 5, yeah? I'm gonna go get my food. I'm gonna eat it here, but I'm gonna get my food. How long have we been on for?
2 hours, almost.
Oh, wow. Okay, I'm gonna go get my food. I'll be back in like 5. Every 100 likes, guys, we do internship giveaway. So just letting you know. If I get off and the likes are only at 99, well then there's no giveaway, right? Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Yeah, I have to say, the last few streams when we've been chilling with like Jabs and Phoenix and Lewis, Raven, Jet, like people hopping in, like these are my guys, you know? These are my guys. Like when we're trading and shit, we're in chat all the time. So these streams where I bring that part out to you guys, like I basically bring my team out. They're way more fun than when I'm like just by myself and shit. Like, fuck that. Anyways, I'll be back.
I wish this would just fucking go up one more time.
Oh my days. Are you still here?
Yeah. What'd you get to eat?
I eat the same thing every day, bruv. Which is
Yeah.
chicken breast. Chicken breast. Chicken breast. Are we shorting this shit or what?
No.
Not yet?
Nah.
Soon?
No. No short. Yeah. Yeah, pudding's pretty fire, bro. I gotta agree with you on that.
I hate pudding.
What else do you guy? You eat chicken and rice. You're not even involved in this conversation.
Like chocolate pudding?
Yeah. Like all pudding, really.
Here's my thing. I think for me, if the food is not like a solid or a liquid, I fucking hate it.
So
Like
smoothies are off the table.
Yeah, but smoothie's like a drink and it's fruits usually. So fruits are the king.
Okay, so what about like a milkshake then?
It's kind of still a drink though.
Okay, ice cream.
I mean, ice cream melts, but I don't particularly like ice cream. No.
Okay. What about like a cake?
I hate cake.
I knew it.
Dude, I hate cake.
What about brownies?
Brownies are fine. They're not like that texture.
Okay, so pudding is an absolute no-go.
Dude, I would
Jell-O?
throw up.
Jell-O?
No.
Yeah, no, I'm not a fan of Jell-O either.
The only exception really is like probably Greek yogurt, but I can't have because I need like Greek yogurt's part of my meal plan, but I can't have the Greek yogurt on its own. Like I put fruits in it. I put frozen fruits in mine. I need that. Like I need to balance. I need to have some liquid or like if it's that complexion, it needs to have a solid in it.
Okay.
Like
like soup is off limits.
No, soup is water.
Yeah, but what about okay, like a stew then, or like chili?
Yeah, but
See, would you say to me chili is more of a solid or a liquid, bro?
I would say it's more solid.
You think?
Yeah, and I would say yogurt is more liquid. Man, chili's like there's chunks in it and
bro.
shit. Yeah, like there's chunks and shit in it though.
Yeah, but you could technically take a bite and just swallow the whole thing.
True, but there's chunks.
Yeah, you know what I mean, dude.
No, I know, but there's chunks in it. That's the thing is that there's chunks in it.
Yeah, no, I hear you, but that's what I was trying to say. Like some sort of.
Okay, that's like bouncing. By the way, this was the exact plan. That was your supply to demand flip. We'll see what happens here. Sorry, what'd you say?
No, I'm just saying, bro. Like you could probably. Fucking, I don't know, bro. Like chili is more of a like. I'd say it's more of a liquid. Personally.
Okay, but there's chunks in it though.
Okay, so fuck, bro. I don't know where
so
to
if
draw
you
the
have like okay, so like I said with the Greek yogurt, if you or any yogurt, if you have the fruits, like if I put the fruits and shit in it, sometimes when you go to like whatever the equivalence to Tim Hortons is, I mean for you it's like Dunkin' or whatever, but I don't know if they give you if you can buy like Greek yogurt there, but they put like the croutons or whatever, not croutons, like the granola. Yeah, granola.
Croutons.
Like the
Chili.
Yo, the granola in the Greek yogurt is so fire, but it's not part of my my meal plan. But I love the fucking granola with the Greek yogurt and the fruits.
Yeah,
That
it's
shit
good.
is so bomb.
You ever had
They-
you ever had one of those, what are those fucking things, bro? Those yogurts that have the like shit in the top, and you take the yogurt
yeah.
off,
Yeah.
and then you pour the shit in? Those
Yeah.
are gas.
Yeah, that's like what I was referring to. Like,
Yeah,
obviously
that's
we have
good.
we have Tim Hortons, so like that's the equivalent to your Dunkin'. But do they do that at Dunkin'? Do they?
I don't know. I don't have a Dunks by me.
You don't? What do you guys like? You don't have a coffee shop?
Like Starbucks, but that's just deep.
They do
Yeah,
that at Starbucks, no?
I'm sure. Bro, they serve like fucking cheese pepper poppers. I'm sure they got yogurt.
I don't do Starbucks. I it's like no.
Yeah, I think it is. I drink water.
Yeah, me too.
Like, dead ass. Maybe a Sprite here and there. You can't go wrong with a Sprite, to be honest with you. Personally. I mean, I don't
Okay.
know when's the last.
Yeah, I agree. Everybody in the
Okay.
chat, tell me Sprite or 7-Up.
Oh my God. Are you tweaking? I'll
Well,
ban.
maybe some people are gonna say the wrong answer.
Who the fuck? No, I wouldn't even say 7-Up. I'd say Sierra Mist. Like, those are the.
I don't know what the hell Sierra Mist is, but I'll put it in the poll. I just made a poll.
Fucking Sprite. It's not even close.
Hey, what about someone said Dr. Pepper? I love Dr. Pepper.
Yeah, I just don't drink the caffeine. That's the thing. I do like Dr. Pepper, though, I will say. Okay, no, I
Wait, is
think
there
the
no
more-
caffeine in Sprite?
There's no caffeine in Sprite. That's why I drink it. Yeah, whatever the fuck it is.
Yeah, Sprite is good.
Sprite is goated, bro. It's not even close.
I think this might be a long, to be honest with you, by the way. At Trader Jabs.
I don't know.
Anyway. What's it called? Yeah, I also choose Sprite over Sierra Mist. Isn't even a thing anymore, says K-Pack. I never had that in Heineken Up.
Yeah. Heineken's alright.
Mark Dodge said Heineken Up. That's funny.
What about root beer?
It's like I haven't had it in so long. It's not bad, actually. Now that
I'll
think
tell you-
about it, it's pretty. I mean, now that I'm thinking about it, I'm kind of down for one.
Root beer, right? They're good.
Yeah, they are good.
Okay, hear me out. Hear me out. Listen to this now. I'm at the point where it's like, if I go to a restaurant and they say, yo, is Sierra Mist all right? I'm like, you know what? No, it's not. Like, if I ask for you know what I mean? If I ask for a Sprite and they're like, is Sierra Mist okay? No, it's not okay.
Bro, I've never even heard of Sierra Mist before.
Okay, it's probably like your 7-Up, like a lemon lime fucking. What about sugar water? I could go for it, like lemonade. Lemonade's fire. Yeah, Sierra Mist is now starry.
I don't even know what
Bro.
sugar water is.
It's in the fucking name.
Well, isn't everything technically sugar water then?
Well, I mean, he's
Like-
not saying it's fucking lemonade. He's saying it's like water with sugar in it, I think.
Like, wouldn't Coke be sugar water? Like, it's just sugar in water at the end of the day.
Yeah, but it's. Bro, what? Why are you trying? He's asking, like, what is sugar water? Like, water with sugar in it. That's it. Or he would have said Coke.
Like, do
or something.
people do that though?
People
like,
what? People
Like, do people like get
drink that
spoon-
shit? I don't know.
spoon-
That
like,
sounds like I'm a fucking
No, but that's
hummingbird.
what I'm saying. Like, is that a thing? Is my question. Like, dude, I've
No,
never
I've-
heard of sugar water. Are people getting fucking spoons of sugar and mixing it in the water and drinking? Like, that's my question. Like, you know how people put sugar in their tea? Do they do that in their fucking water?
I have no idea. I've never heard of that.
That's why I was asking.
Yeah. I haven't done that personally. Sugar water, bird feeder drink. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, like a fucking hummingbird. I literally said that a minute ago. Maple syrup water is fire. I do it all the time. Yo, mellow berry blue.
I can't tell if you guys are tweaking or like, I don't know. What just
if I'm tweaking?
No, I'm saying like if these guys are.
Yeah, sugar water is lemonade without the lemon. They're gonna start. I mean,
What?
Are we delayed? Are we delayed?
Yeah, well, they hear our conversation like 20 seconds, 30 seconds later.
Oh, so that's why they're just now saying all this about the sugar water.
Yo, I don't. Dude, this is crazy. Okay, new
What's
game.
crazy?
No, like all this like maple syrup water. I don't know if that's a troll or like.
No, that has to be. That has to be satire, for sure.
Okay, because I'm Canadian. Okay, yeah.
That's
Like even cream soda, I've never had that. Okay, what if? Okay, you're only allowed.
Cream soda's real though.
You're
All right,
only
bro.
allowed to have one liquid for the rest of your life.
Water.
I agree.
Yeah, I'd go water or Michelob Ultra.
Like water or tequila.
Yeah, water or tequila. Yeah. No, I'd probably go. I'd have to go water.
What about Perrier though?
Like the sparkling shit.
Yeah, sparkling water.
I don't care if it's sparkling or regular. It don't matter.
Like, do you like sparkling?
I mean, I don't buy it, but I mean, I wouldn't if you poured me it.
Like,
I'd
if
be
you're like,
whatever.
can I just get a water? And they're like, is sparkling okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Go ahead. But if they're like, what do you want more? I'm gonna take the regular water. But I mean, I don't care.
Like, you're never in a. You know what? I kind of feel like a Perrier today.
Yeah, but I've never no, I'm saying I've never when I don't know. I just don't think about it. I just get water and then I'm good.
1000% the answer is black coffee. Yeah, but listen, bro, you have to think about this. The only
I'm dead
liquid
serious.
you
He's
are
doing it.
the only liquid you're allowed to consume is water, which means if you're gonna have cereal, well, I guess with cereal you would do milk, but if you're gonna have soup, you're gonna have to do black coffee soup. So a little bit of a
Wait, what?
curveball. No, like the only liquid you are allowed to ingest is
Water.
whatever. Yeah. So
no cereal. It's quiet for cereal.
well, you can do cereal. No, the only liquid you're allowed to have, period.
Okay, so I'm putting water in the cereal, is what you're saying.
I mean,
Like that-
are you even eating? Like, who eats cereal?
I would just eat cereal like as a snack, kind of like Cheez-Its almost, and then just drink water.
Okay,
instead of,
most goated cereal.
Oh man, let me think.
I haven't like really had cereal in forever, but
I know, me either. And I went to the store the other day and got 3 boxes and a thing of milk. I've been having fucking a Candyland all week. Okay, most goated cereal. Can we go top 3, maybe?
okay.
Like, why do you have to put it as?
Okay, let's go. You pick one, and then I pick one, and then we'll collectively pick one, and then we'll make a poll, and then whoever wins wins.
All right, you want me to go?
Yeah.
Oh fuck. I feel like I know what you're gonna say. So if I just say oddball,
Well, I
there.
don't. You remember, I'm not like a huge food guy. I think food is gay, and I don't eat cereal.
All right, so let's go. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go cinnamon toast crunch, bro.
Oh, that's a good one.
Because here's the thing, I thought you were gonna pick that, and I was gonna say like Cocoa Pebbles.
Like the Nesquik.
Wait, what do you mean?
You guys have Nesquik?
Yeah, like the fucking chocolate milk shit.
Yeah, isn't that the same thing as Cocoa Pebbles?
Yeah, but it's like Kellogg's or some shit, or I don't fucking know. It might
Oh,
be
yours
Nesquik.
is the one with like the Flintstones on it. I don't know. I've never had that.
Yeah.
You know?
How do I pull up the chat? Oh, here we go. I'm trying to see. Okay, so you're gonna make a. Kicks is so trash. What up, playa?
I don't even know what Kicks is.
Kellogg's Frosted Flakes is my #1. Yo, Bloodsville, those shits are fire.
He longed?
Moon it. I'm about to short the fuck out of this. I am. So TP now.
How did you know that I took it, guy?
Huh?
How did you know that I took it?
I just had a feeling. Model 1.
Speaking for myself, I'm waiting for this SFP either which way. I'm in the conversation. Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Cocoa Puffs, Fruit Loops. That's actually so funny. It's actually so funny.
Oh my god, bro!
You
Honey
talked
bunches
about
of oats is—that's what I was trying to say, bro.
What's he saying?
Yes. He said, "Fucking honey bunches of oats. Those are fire." That's what I was trying to say. That's like the one you like.
What's honey bunches of oats?
They're goated, bro. Just like the thing you showed.
Oh.
That's what I was trying to say. I fuck with organic, cashy shit, but oats are bad for you, bro. I mean, I don't eat them often though. You feel me? So.
Man, this is the best cereal. If you have this one, this is so good. I love the raisin one. Okay, here's my thing. I don't like I don't have a sweet tooth. The most sweet tooth I have is for fruits. I don't like okay,
I agree.
Candy I'll do. Chocolate is all right. I don't like ice cream. I don't like
Okay,
cake.
I'm not eating candy often though, to be honest.
No, me neither. But what I'm saying is like I don't care about the sugary shit, you know? Like some people put extra sugar on their Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Okay.
Hi mate, are you interested in high rebate affiliate on MEXC? Bro, I've been an affiliate with MEXC for like 2.5 years.
Raisin Bran is good every now and then.
Yeah, Raisin Bran is good. This shit slaps so hard, man. I like for example with chocolate. With chocolate, people like white chocolate. I like dark chocolate. I do not like.
Oh yeah,
chocolate.
me too.
I hate white chocolate.
I don't like milk chocolate really. I'm fucking with Moon It, bro.
Yeah, like dark chocolate is so good, bro. I love
it is fire.
Chocolate.
It's good. I drink sugar with coffee.
If I ever have coffee,
Bro.
I'm doing black.
Sugar with coffee, not coffee with sugar. He's funny. He bought.
By the way, I just de-risked my my Bitcoin loan for the record.
For the record.
Yeah, dark chocolate is so good. But even that, like I have 1 or 2 pieces and then I'm done. Like I can't
Yeah, like I'm not eating a bag of fucking Dove chocolate. You know?
Yeah, like people are, bro, my boy, like my best friend in real life, this guy, he like washes his fucking chocolate down with chocolate. You know what I'm saying?
That's
and I'm
insane.
Like, dude, I swear. I'm like,
I need a half a gallon of milk, bro.
Dude, yeah, I need to like, I have 1 chocolate and my mouth is like chocolate for a fucking hour. Like, how are you? You know what I mean?
Chocolate ice cream is good, bro.
I'm like not a really big fan of ice cream. I mean, it's not like I don't like it. Like I'll have it, but
Okay, what about like an
cake,
apple
for
pie?
example,
With fucking...
Yeah, I like apple pie. I like pie.
Yeah, apple pie with like a fucking
Cream
thing of
pie.
ice. Oh, here we go. You can't just keep it a buck.
Wait, yeah, apple pie is good. Apple pie is good.
And you have like vanilla ice cream on that.
No, I don't like the ice cream part of it. Like funnel cake shit. Have you ever had a funnel cake?
Yeah.
Like I don't like funnel cake. Well, it's not I don't like it. I don't
5 desserts all time. Yeah, you know, I'd go there too. I'd say that.
I don't think I've ever even had tiramisu.
It's like coffee. You'd hate it. It's like coffee flavored cold pudding.
Ew.
Pretty much. Yeah, it's like yeah.
What up, boys?
Yo, we're on live, by the way.
Yeah, I know. I see you.
Okay. I have to like.
Fuck you guys. It's 4 a.m. here, and now I'm craving for food. Yo, me too. I might go downstairs here in a second.
Do you want me to make you uncrave food, Mark Dutch? Because I can tell you like a theory.
Is someone fucking calling me?
Bro, what's up with this poll? You know Sierra Mist isn't a thing now, right?
Dude, I've never even heard of it.
It's, they had to change their name because some TikTok influencer chick like trademarked the name. It expired the license. It was weird.
I've never
And that's
even
why
heard.
they're called Starry now.
I've never heard of it, and I've never even seen it. Sierra Mist.
I think it might be an American thing.
Yeah, like I promise you on my life, if you put a gun to my head, I've never seen this in my entire life.
Bro, Sprite's the real one. I mean, let's be real.
Starry. Okay,
Yeah,
so you guys have like Mountain Dew?
Yeah, we got Mountain Dew. We got like 12 Mountain Dews.
Is that still a thing? Mountain Dew.
Yeah. Bro, it's like a Mountain Dew's popping over here, bro. You know what a Baja Blast is?
Only porn can take your mind off of food. Fair. I should have said corn. Only corn. Yo, ginger ale is goated. I agree with that.
Ginger ale is fire.
Ginger ale is, it's like low-key fire. It's like the shit that
It's
like,
a good mixer.
Yeah. Is futures only during the week? You mean are the markets only
Yes.
open during the week? And the answer is yes.
Yes. It is Sunday night at 5 p.m. in my time to Friday night 5 p.m.
It's the only one that quenches your thirst. I don't like have it often enough. So my that I go to is because I'm on meal plans, so I can't have the calories and shit. But when I do get Coke or whatever, it'll be like ginger ale 0 or Coke or Pepsi 0 or Dr. Pepper 0.
Bro, I don't drink.
I don't drink
pop
Coke.
like
I
that.
stopped drinking pop because it like
Yeah,
you're
it's
putting
bad
like
for you.
black fucking goo in your body. Like it's not good for you.
Yeah, bro, it's horrible. I'll drink like water, sweet tea, like lemonade, and drink shit like that.
Wait, are you going out tonight or are you chilling?
I'm going out tonight.
Oh,
Wait, what? You haven't left?
No.
bro, it's 10 o'clock. Jabby Patty. Not everybody's in
Dude,
bed
I'm
at
like ready
9:30.
to. Yeah,
Bro,
I'm
the
about to-
club opened an hour ago, bro. I'm not
I don't
getting
know that
to my
shit, bro.
section until 11.
I don't
Wait,
go
what are you
out
doing right
like
now?
that.
Like are you preying
I'm
yet
at
or what are you doing?
We went to this bar. It was like an auction. We know the owners, and so we were chilling there, pre-gaming a little bit. Now we're back at the crib, getting ready, and then we're about to go downtown. We'll go to like some new club, and then we'll head over to the club that I have a section at 11.
Man, you USA people say pre-gaming.
Yeah,
We say
Pre-game.
we just say preing, yeah.
yeah, no, but it's pre-game.
Pre-game, yeah.
Like, yo, you guys want a pre-game? We just say,
I'm
yo,
like-
like we don't say pre-game, we say pre-drink.
Well, it's the same fucking shit.
No, I know, but I'm saying like when we're like, okay, like when do you want to pre? Like we don't say pre-game, but if we were gonna add an extension, if we were gonna make it a compound word, it would be pre-drink, not pre-game.
Bro, Gio, okay, go to the Discord, to the general, and tell me if you fuck it with a fit, bro.
Tell me if I'm what?
If you're fucking with the fit, bro.
Oh,
KPC was asking for the fit pick.
yeah. I mean, it looks like a person laying down on your bed.
Oh shit. You got. Hey, Jet. There's shit on your hat.
Nah, bro. I'm not wearing no fucking bullshit socks, bro. That's just wag.
You see the shit on his fucking hat? The Yankees logo, Gio.
Yeah.
The logo of winners. KPC
So-
likes it.
He's got black pants, white t-shirt, button
Yo,
up.
when you said check.
Are
if
you
like
wearing
the
it
fit.
exactly like the guy laying down on the bed? Like, or do you have the shirt buttoned up, the over one?
I'm wearing it exactly like that, bro. And that's just staying unbuttoned. layering, bro.
Do you have the sunglasses on or some shit?
I mean, I will when I get to the club. I don't right now.
Damn.
I got the iced out chain and I got the chrome chain.
I got
Moon
the
it.
iced out chain and I got the cold chain. The iced out chain and I got the cold chain. The gold chain.
Go sweep the high, Solana, please.
Sold to 10 trillion. K Pizzy will put up a pig in the Discord. K Pizzy, you need to redeem the freaking code that I gave you.
I put her the fucking thing, bro. I thought that's what you wanted me to do.
I also DM'd her and she still didn't do it. So to be honest with you, at Trader Jabs, the common denominator here is her.
You know what? Facts.
What is this?
Oh, bro.
Dominoes?
Bro,
Is this
Graham's
like, I
just
don't, you know, I
playing
have
this,
no idea how to play dominoes.
Yo, me either, bro.
Dominoes is, I swear, it's like a black person thing.
It is. For sure. That's why when I play dominoes, it's with easy.
Easy, too easy. Too easy.
I'm not really sure about the whole dominoes thing. I've never really tried it.
Dominoes is lit. Though. Not gonna count.
I mean, I do it, but I just don't like
Yeah,
understand.
I don't know how to play it either.
Yeah, me either. I can play like checkers though.
Dude, can you play chess?
Yeah.
You want to verse me in chess right now?
Not really. Do you want to verse me at Clash Royale?
Are you good, Jabs?
No, I suck. At Clash Royale?
Yeah.
I'm like a new player, bro. I have like
Have
4K
I-
trophies.
And
Heard of
Gio's
the
gonna
orb?
fucking wax your ass.
I've already
Yes,
played
I-
him. He smoked me.
Yes, I've heard of the orb strategy.
You know,
I hate
I
the
haven't.
word strategy, bro. I hate the word strategy. But
Okay,
yes,
let's
I've
start
heard-
saying strat. Abbreviate.
No, I
that
just
shit.
like what's your trading strategy?
If anyone's new
Like,
to the
if it's-
stream and they just got here, strat is short for strategy.
Bro, all I can hear in my house right now is just heels walking around upstairs.
Well, what the fuck are you doing down here?
Bro, they take like all these girls take like an hour to get ready, bro. I'm chilling.
So did the girls go with you to the bar?
Tell them to come on stream.
Yeah.
Tell
Okay,
them
well
we
then
need tell them we need a moderator that's like Donna from Suits.
Bro, none of them are gonna fuck. They'll be in this one and that's it.
Wow.
It's a bunch of fucking college sorority girls, bro. They're not gonna tune in daily.
Moon it.
Yo, did you guys know that on KSX, if you press this similar candlesticks button, oh, I guess I can't do it on this time frame. It'll like, see this? It'll like pull up another scenario where your candles look similar, and then it'll say potentially bearish, whatever. Did you know that?
That's wild.
Isn't that fucking insane? Not that insane.
Wait, what is this?
Any thoughts on the orb? I don't know, man. I know of it. I don't trade it, and
That's what Alex O does, right?
yeah, Alex does that. It's like the first 15 minutes of your whatever. First 15 minutes of your session, and then you like look at the high. To be honest, man, okay, here's the thing. Every single strategy, here's the thing that no one's gonna tell you. I hate the word strategy, but every strategy is the same shit, just worded differently. Okay, the ICT guys, when they do their turtle soup, what is the turtle soup? It's an SFP and a pushing out. Okay, me, I'm watching structure, I'm looking for internal flips, whatever. I don't really have a name for the way that I trade. It's not ICT, but it's also not, you know, retail.
Didn't you have a name for it, like Nexus something?
Yeah, but I'm not gonna. I already shove Nexus everywhere else, you know.
Yeah.
Moon it.
But it's all the same shit, you know. Everybody's trading the same thing. It's just a different wording of it. So the orb is what? It's just rim C. Like you have a range, You break out of the range. You backtest the range. Like, I don't need an orb to tell me that. Plus, in my opinion, which who cares about my opinion, but the word orb is gay. Like, I can't, I would feel, I just like, oh, like, yo, did you hit the orb this morning? It just sounds gay. Like, if I was going to do orb, I would call it something else. It's like, same thing with turtle soup, by the way.
Yeah,
If I was trading turtle soup, which, like, okay, you could call, you know, my long on Solana turtle soup, I guess, then I would never call it turtle soup. Like, I would never be like, oh, I just hit the turtle soup. It just sounds gay. Like,
Yeah, I feel like on my streams, bro, I call it, I just call it smart money trading, bro. That's all I call it.
Yeah,
I just call it smart money,
yeah,
bro.
like, we have a very particular way of trading, you know, our Nexus way, but I don't need to make a name for it or whatever.
Yeah.
Brand fatigue,
Like in all
yeah,
my
like,
titles, I just label it smart money trading. And I was like, that's all I do.
Stops on my ETH and BTC. Yeah, I don't have stop losses right now, but I'm here. Like, I'm looking at it, you know. It's not like I'm leaving and I'm going to sleep or whatever.
Yeah, but it could just go, you know.
And then
He's watching it though. He could literally click the button.
Yeah, I'm right here. Like, what is it gonna do? If it if it moves fast enough to, let's just say, blow my account, then my stop loss wouldn't work anyway.
Yeah, like if it fucking teleports, bro, he's getting stopped out way below anyways.
So orbs aren't those monsters in Lord of the Rings. You know, I think you guys were talking about Lord of the Rings in here the other day. I've never seen it. But didn't you say it's like just like 5 movies of people walking or something?
Yeah. Bro, Lord of the Rings is like, okay, I haven't really watched it fully since I was a kid, but in one of the newer, like, Hobbit movies, this is what happened. Okay, have you seen Harry Potter or no?
Yeah, Harry Potter's goated.
Okay, so imagine this. And I swear it's the exact same, okay? So in Harry Potter 1, in Harry Potter 7 part 1, right? There's Voldemort, okay? Maybe it's not, okay, maybe it's not the same. Let's just pretend Voldemort was the first bad guy.
Yeah.
The whole first movie was setting up the second movie, or it was actually second and third. Okay, hold on. Whatever.
Like, are we talking about Harry Potter now or fucking Lord of the Rings?
No, okay. So for The Hobbit, this is how it happened, okay? Harry Potter and versing Voldemort. The whole fucking movie, Voldemort was the villain, okay? The movie ends.
Yeah, the whole series. Yeah, okay.
Yeah. The movie, no, let's just say it's the whole movie, or the whole, like, 2 out of 3 movies. It's the second movie. Now, so he's the bad guy. On the next movie comes out a year later or 2 years later, and 5 minutes into that next movie, the villain dies. So it's like 5 minutes into Harry Potter 7 part 2, Voldemort dies. We waited a year to see him die in 5 minutes. It was so stupid.
Bro, I've never made it through a Harry Potter movie without falling asleep.
No, is that fuck, dude? No, that's not Harry Potter.
No, we're talking about Lord of the Rings. But yeah, he's saying for Harry Potter.
Yeah, Harry Potter's fire though.
Never made it through a movie without falling asleep.
Okay, let's be objective for a second. Objectively, Harry Potter is kind of gay. So is Lord of the Rings.
It's good.
So is Star Wars, and so is Marvel. Like, it's all gay. If we're being honest.
I mean, it's all nerd shit, bro.
Yeah, like, if we're being honest,
at the end of the day,
it's gay.
It's not.
Like you can like nerd shit, but it's still nerd shit, you know.
Wait, did we invalidate our SMT? No, not yet. Oh, actually, yeah, we did. Yeah, this is more bullish long term now. Now that we invalidated the SMT, we're more bullish long term. Okay, good to know. The first Harry Potter was good, and then after it became gay. Okay, if I was gonna rank the Harry Potter movies, okay, I'm not gonna rank them because it's too much to think, but I'll just say good or gay as we keep going. In my opinion, number 1, gay. It sucked. The first movie of everything always sucks. What?
Sorcerer's Stone.
It was good in real time.
He said, Gio, are you taller than the Hobbit?
Gio, am I taller than the Hobbit?
The new Tron movie was pretty good. Was it?
Probably not. Probably not. Well, how tall is the
When you
Hobbit?
say your money.
I'm 5'2" 3/4",
Like,
aka the
what
ultimate
movie
height.
is not gay, bro?
Okay.
Okay.
Just 7 on your money, though.
Wolf of Wall Street.
Besides that,
And the
That's the
Dictator.
best movie of all time.
The Dictator
Funny.
was
That's a
golden.
good movie, bro.
Okay, so you
The
like
interview.
funny movies, not like
The
any
interview
other
is
type
good,
No, I didn't like the interview.
bro. It's Kim Jong Un. Come on, bro. He's got like fucking
Pineapple
North Korean
Express was
strippers
good.
and.
Pineapple Express was good. Yeah, bro, I'm 5'2" 3/4. I'm the
Have you ever
listen.
seen
I'm the
Dumb Money?
absolute listen. I'm the pinnacle height. You know, when people are like, "Oh shit, you're 5'2" 3/4," it's not "Oh shit." It's like everyone wishes they were 5'2" 3/4. I'm embarrassed for like Jet's 6'4" or 6'3".
I'm
That
6'4".
is- He's 6'4". Like if I was
Peak
you,
height.
I would, bro. I would.
That's
I would.
peak height.
What I want to say, I can't say it because I'm on YouTube. But let's just say, like, I wouldn't be breathing anymore if I was 6'4".
Nah, brother. 6'4" is the peak height.
No, man. Anybody that's 6'4" wishes they were 5'2" 3/4.
It's not true. Grace, would you rather a guy that's 5'2" 3/4 or 6'4"?
I think that's
6'4".
pretty obvious.
Wow, that is the most basic bitch I've ever heard in my life, Grace. That's fucked up.
It was a 3-0 vote right there, Gio.
That's fine. I don't care.
5'9". Like, doesn't...
Listen, I'm gonna tell you
It's
this.
okay, bro. You're 7'10" on your money, bro. That's what matters.
Listen, I'm gonna tell you this. No, here's what I'll tell you. I'm gonna tell you this. Like, first of all, tall people don't have personality. Like, let's keep it P here. Number one. Number two. I don't even need a number two, bro.
I mean, this is
That
like
fucking guy.
overwhelmingly. I mean, I don't care, bro.
Women don't know, bro. They just sound like any girl that says 6'4" over 5'2" 3/4 just sounds like the most basic bitch I've ever heard. Like this Grace chick sounds probably like the most boring person on the planet. If I'm being real, like let's be honest.
So we put her on camera, bro, for you.
No. I don't-
No. Just for you. Just for you. You don't have to put it on stream.
I can bring Gio as my wingman. The new Leo movie sucked. Did it? What was the new Leo movie?
So do you like
no.
Leonardo DiCaprio then?
Bro, Leo's fine.
Yeah, I fuck with Leo. Every movie Leo's in is good, except for the good one apparently, or the new one.
Bro, Wolf of Wall Street is the greatest movie of all
Have
time.
you ever seen
Okay,
Dumb
wait,
Money?
Jet. Ask them this. Say 6'4" or 5'2" 3/4 / the most evolved man on earth, most charismatic, most handsome, most comedic, best at
Tallest,
trading, top 3.18% of traders globally.
I'll let you ask, bro.
No,
I'm
I'm
gonna
not.
go
I don't,
straight. It's not
Look,
here. You're on
the
speaker.
question
You
is
got it,
the
yeah.
question is not for me, but like there's a caveat to it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like let's put it this way.
All
If
right,
I
here,
wasn't-
let's ask Taylor. Okay, ask Taylor. It's a different one.
Let's put it this way. If I wasn't 5'2" 3/4, I probably wouldn't be the most evolved man on earth, the most charismatic, the most handsome, the most funny, the best at trading. Like it is what it is, you know?
So would you rather a 5'2" 3/4 most evolved man on earth, best at trading, most charismatic, most handsome, best person overall, or someone who's 6'4"?
6'4".
Wow,
Oh,
you
damn,
are
yo,
so
they're just
boring.
fucking-
Whoever
you're
just
just
said
getting
6'4", you are a bland piece of toast. to be
That was Taylor.
honest. Taylor's a bland piece of toast.
I mean,
can't
Sorry.
imagine my shoe size.
I mean, you
I
Don't-
tried the
don't-
whole 5'2" thing. It just wasn't for me.
No, it's all good. Don't say sorry. It's your
He
loss.
is the most evolved man on earth, though. Can't take that away from you.
Damn, this is crazy, bro.
Can I unlock the door? Yeah. How do I do that?
Feels bad,
Okay,
dude.
do
I
my
promise
pen.
you on my life, I swear to God, I
Is there
don't
a pen
care.
in there?
I literally don't
Yeah.
care. First of all, they're not tall when they're on the
I know
back.
that.
Second of all, I
Repeat
actually like
that.
taller women. You can't imagine my shoe size. My shoe size is 7. I'm
The
a
lucky
size,
number, bro.
I'm a size 7.
Aaron,
It just
Tell her
wasn't for
yourself,
me.
bro. What do you have to say to Taylor?
Who, me?
Yeah,
What
and
am
my
I supposed
sister.
to? What am I supposed to say? What do you want me to say? I have nothing to say. To
Are you
you.
the one who's 5'2"?
I'm 5'2"
And
3/4. You forgot the 3/4, and I'm the most charismatic.
You should just
most
tell
handsome.
people you're 5'4".
No,
No, I'm not a
3/4.
catfish. Why would I do that? Plus, 5'4" is so embarrassing. That's way too tall. I'm 5'2" 3/4, the most evolved man on earth.
Oh, okay. That's cool.
Yeah.
I'm 5'4" 3/4.
Friend.
And I have heels on. Sorry, Gio.
Don't be sorry.
This is the most evolved man on the planet.
That's what I hear.
Yeah.
Yeah, Michael.
Top 4% trader.
This shit is
Top-
crazy, bro.
Top 3.
What the
Top
fuck
3.
is going on?
Oh, my bad. I
top-
didn't even mean to
top.
dish you like that, big bro.
Top 3 now.
I like it.
When Gio and Alex Crypto are talking about golfing, they mean mini golf. Man,
No way you go real golf.
I've never actually like golfed before.
It's mad fun.
You're short too, only 5'8".
Now you can tell Grace that she's basic.
Bro, if I was not 5'2 3/4", like it like let's keep it actually 100 right here. It would genuinely not be fair.
What wouldn't be fair?
Oh, I'm not talking to like you specifically, Grace, but I'm just saying like I have everything else. I need to have something, you know, like so the 5'2 3/4 thing. Like it would just, if I was 6'4", like your boy, like it just wouldn't be fair to everybody else.
This is crazy.
Okay, fair enough. Thanks for letting me know.
I was letting my YouTube know.
Oh, yeah, he's live on YouTube.
Yeah, I'm not.
He's live on YouTube. He's talking to the chat.
Like we're live right now. I'm not, you know.
Kiori.
Yeah.
Come here.
He was here.
I'm doing my hair. I literally cannot.
Oh, this shit is crazy. What are we doing right now?
Yeah, Jet, what are we doing right now, bro? This guy's like learning so much.
I'm gonna go downtown, bro.
What are we doing?
I'm about to leave for the club. All right, I'm out. The Uber's about to be here.
All right, one love.
All right,
Later,
bro.
boys.
Don't hit your head at the top of the car.
Never. Actually, every time, bro. It's really annoying.
Yeah, I know it sucks being 6'4".
Yeah, it does. It's true. It's true.
Okay, one love. Have
All right.
fun.
I'm out. Later, homie.
Bro, what is this PA, dude? At Trader Jabs. Are we gonna rim see this bitch up or what?
I don't know.
Do I only short? Where did you even hear do I only short, bro? I'm in 3 longs right now and I'm in 0 shorts. So the whole do I only short thing, where's that question?
No, he
even-
says, do you only short because you're not tall enough to long?
where did he see I'm not tall enough to long?
Right under.
Oh. Man, listen, I gotta tell you guys something, okay? Sometimes when you guys
Noodle, he was coking it right there.
sometimes when you guys come at me and I like, you have to understand I have a long history on YouTube of being right and everybody like giving me shit for it. So like there's a little bit of, you know, like when people come at me, I just like, yeah. So my apologies if I overlook something or I don't see a second part of shit. It's like, okay, well, like,
Dump it.
yeah. Can I have your daughter for the rest of my life? Say yes. Okay, what time is it, dude? 10:30? We've been on for how long now?
2 hours.
Just wait until Geodude evolves into a graveler.
Makes no sense. Short people easier to grab the longs. It's funny.
I'll continue. I'm going to say from now on, I'm going Geo.
Going Geo.
Don't short the bottom.
This guy's gonna say he's going Geo. That's funny.
To be honest with you, I kind of want to short right now. I kind of do.
Is your whole desk a mouse pad, or how does that work?
It's a big mouse pad.
The whole thing?
It's like a desk mat.
Yeah, that's what I have.
Yeah. It's not the whole desk though. It's just like a desk mat.
Is it pretty big though?
Yeah. It's like 30 inches maybe.
Dude, I can't believe you have like this whole setup and stuff.
Why?
It's just crazy.
Why is that crazy?
Geo's the mouse. Yo, these motherfuckers are relentless.
Okay.
I've been holding my shorts for 2 weeks. Swing trading is boring, but it pays out. Well, GG, you're an updraw.
Up trillions.
You're up bazillions.
The ratio is 7 to 1. You need to be 7 times right for people to remember it. I wonder what my ratio is. It's probably not 7 to 1. It's probably like... What would you say my ratio is, Trader Jabs?
3 to 1.
No. No way.
What?
You think 3 to 1 is my ratio? Of like being right and wrong? I would say...
Oh, right and wrong?
Yeah, like... If I go on YouTube and I'm like, yo, I think this is gonna happen, that's gonna happen.
Oh. 6 to 1.
I don't know if it's... I would say like 4 or 5 to 1. 4.5 to 1. How about that? The camera makes me look taller even when I'm sitting down. Well, listen, even if it does, I tell you guys my exact height is 5 foot 2 3/4. I don't catfish
Okay,
anyone.
can you get something that's like 5 feet and show me?
Like what?
Like I don't know what is 5 feet tall. Actually,
Bro, like it's 1 foot tall, shorter than you.
So yeah, but where would that be on me? Like my shoulder? Like how big, tall
Yeah,
is my
like
head?
probably your shoulder. Like what do you want? How am I gonna get something that's 5 and that like is relative to you? Like I can stand next to my lights, but you don't know how light. You don't know how tall
Like
my
get
light
something
is,
that I'm
though.
saying we both have. Like
Yeah,
that Rich says we have no proof of this.
Okay, but how? Like how? What am I supposed to get? There's nothing that like I have that is standard that you have that's in your house that you can relate it to.
Yeah, there is. There's plenty of shit. Get a roll of toilet paper.
A roll of toilet paper?
Or like a like a fucking thing of paper towel or something. Yeah, or get a tape measure, guy. Do you have a fucking tape measure? I feel like I'd need it.
You want me to get a
All right.
tape measure?
Nah, now stand up with the paper towel roll, bro.
I gotta like raise my desk with me though.
Okay, now put the camera on the full screen.
Spilled some toothpaste on my shirt earlier. Hey, like, what do you like? How is this gonna help? Hey, you know what? Let me just go find a tape measure.
Yo.
I'm gonna go get a tape measure. I'll be back.
Okay, I believe it. No, you know what? He said, how many 5-minute candles hire you? Nah, we're not making fun of him. We're just trying to like understand pretty much. Like is his chair like all the way up? Because well, I guess I don't know. Five foot 2 might be small though. I believe my chair reached my belly. His shoulders reached. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Yeah, but that's what I'm trying to think. Bloodsville. This is the thing. Is his chair all the way up or all the way down? Because you could really. Why the fuck are you obsessed with height? Height has nothing to do with anything your way of thinking does. Wait, what? I don't know, bro. I'm just like.
So what? 5'2"? I have a 5'2" friend, super successful. Yeah, I mean, height doesn't define you.
Oh, okay? So you have it. How high is your desk right now?
Why am I obsessed with height? I'm not obsessed with height at all. If you're talking to me, unless you're talking to somebody else.
No, he's
How
talking
tall
to
is
me.
the
'cause
desk?
I've been
the desk
yelling
is
at them.
like, the desk is like 4 feet.
Just pinch it on the tape measure guy.
Yeah, I just did right here. Oh, you mean do it like that?
Now, like, hold that, like, so we can see, like, how far it is, bro.
Okay, this is it. So I'm holding. Oh.
I can barely hear you though.
Yeah. Here. Okay, so I'm stepping on it. I'm like, it's gonna be give or take. Okay, it's not gonna be exact. I don't need.
No, it doesn't have to be exact. I'm just trying to get a ballpark.
Okay, my hand is on the top of my head. My hand is straight like that. Right, straight hand, right there. Give or take. Right there.
Okay, now
Basically, here.
I believe that you're, bro. We believe
Right
that you're
there.
5 foot.
63 inches, pretty much. What is that in feet?
5 foot. 5
See-
foot 2. 5'3"
63.
is 5'3". Yeah.
Then I guess I grew. I'm still gonna say 63 inches in feet. I'm still gonna say oh here, no, look.
Varsity athlete, yo.
No, it says 5'2.5".
Does it?
It says 5.25, yeah.
Okay, well, if my math is correct, 12 times 5 is 60, and you said you were 63 inches, so that would be 5'3". But maybe I'm fucking losing it.
It says 5.25.
That makes no sense, but all right. Anyways,
Well, that's what Google said. I don't know.
okay, I was trying to get you, bro. This is what I was trying to do. I was trying to get you.
160 centimeters.
Yeah. Hold up 72 inches so we can see the difference, bro.
160 centimeters in feet. Yeah, 5'2.5". Wait, what do you want me to hold up?
72.
72?
72 inches, yeah.
Okay. hold on.
48 inches is 4 feet. Yeah, we know that.
Okay, here.
Dude, this is fun.
Okay, so we're gonna, we'll put it back. Let me find 72, so okay, where, like, I stopped it at 72, okay?
All right.
Is the whole camera in the frame?
No fucking way.
Wait, hold on, let me back up. Dude, I can't even get the whole thing in the frame, bro. Like, I don't have any more space to go back.
Damn, okay. Okay, yeah, that's crazy.
Like the whole thing doesn't even I can't even back up that much. Like, I can't even show you. I can't even make this lens wider either. Can I?
Bro is built like a Roman soldier. Oh my god. Look at what
Wait, what?
look at what Mark said.
106.
Fucking
That's
idiot.
what we call a foot long.
No.
Hold up. Okay, Geo. Now let's measure Geo Jr.
Fuck. Yeah, bro, we're all over the place.
Bro's built like a Roman soldier. Thank you. Gio, I'm 10 out of
I was
10,
trying to
thank you.
get. I think you misunderstood the point of this. Okay.
Well, you wanted to have a reference.
Yeah, but we still don't. Like, if you still take out a tape measure, I can't
I understand.
visualize.
That's what I was
60
saying. If you want a reference, this is what you do. You go get a tape measure. And you go to 63 inches. And then you'll see how tall I am.
All right. You know what?
Go do it.
That's probably the best idea you've
Go
said.
do it and then come on. Go do it and then come on camera.
Like if I hold the tape measure up, is that what you mean?
Yeah, like go get a tape measure and then come on the camera and then do what I did but in reverse. Like go show what 160 is next to you.
What if I don't want to get a tape measure though?
Then don't get a tape measure. Like what do you want me to say?
Nah, I might. Hold on, I think
Okay,
I have
I'm a
one up
short
here.
king too, man. Only 174. Yo, listen, let me just say this. You guys, I am so secure about my height. I genuinely believe that I am the person that I am. Like, not due to my height, but like I have a huge personality. I believe I was given a huge personality by God to go along with my height. Like I don't feel any ways about it. You know? So it's not like, and I mean this respectfully, it's not like it's okay, I'm short too. I don't feel any ways about it. You know, I'm not upset about it or whatever. I wouldn't, even if I could change, I wouldn't. I promise I wouldn't. I am so secure in my height.
Good things come in small packages. Yeah, if you were insecure, you wouldn't.
Yeah,
have
like I
said
didn't
it
even
on-
need to tell you guys that I'm 5'2". I could have just not said anything ever.
Yeah. Wait, what's
I have
100?
one red flag and one red flag ever. And my only red flag is that I'm so shit with directions. That's my most red flag.
Okay, let me ask you this.
Yeah, are you gonna come on the camera though?
With the, I cannot locate a tape measure. I'm still looking. Let me ask you this though.
Yeah.
Nah, I lost it. Fuck.
You have a great attitude about it, Gio. You are the bigger man. Thank you. Personality matters. Like your character matters. The way you express it matters. You could be 7-Eleven and you are a crappy person. 100% I agree. I agree. Let shorter people live longer.
Why
Do
are
they
we even
actually?
talking about height if Tall Boy isn't on camera? Facts, yeah. I'm not the one to talk to. It's Jet.
Well, we're just chilling. Like we're not, you know.
No, yeah. Everyone thinks we're fighting.
Like no, nobody's fighting.
He bought Moonit.
The only one I'm fighting is Grace. Like I don't know who Grace is. I don't know what she looks like. I don't know who the fuck she thinks she's talking to.
I saw what she looked like.
Did you?
Yeah.
Was she like?
She was on the camera when Jet.
Oh, I didn't even see.
Yeah. All of them were.
What did she look like?
Like, what do you think?
I don't know.
The way you said it, you nailed it. I mean,
Like what? A basic bitch?
oh yeah.
Hmm. Yeah.
Nah, they're all cool though. Fuck it, bro.
I don't
really care.
like either way. Like I said, I feel no ways about it. I don't care. Bum bum bum. Bum bum. Bum bum. Bum bum. First time here and I've been laying into Gio about his height and all fun and he been taking it like a champ. Yeah, like I don't I literally don't. Yo, you guys remember? I don't know if you guys remember. The OGs will remember this. When I used to stream like every single day. Actually, you know what? I probably have the video.
Of what?
still.
Of what?
My intro used to say roast Geo in the comments.
Oh yes, it did. And everyone did.
And everyone did, yeah. Like I told everybody to roast me. I don't know if I have it on this.
Wait, so let me ask everyone in here this. Does my mic sound like Geo's mic or is his mic better?
When the night has come.
I'm pretty sure yours is probably better though.
And the land is done.
Your mic is louder than
Oh,
his.
okay. We're gonna watch my old intro. Okay, we're gonna watch the old intro right now.
We in the Uber right now. Yours is the same. Yours is same or better.
Okay, listen, we're gonna play my old intro right now. We're all gonna listen to it. We're all gonna pay attention thoroughly. Okay, let's go. This is the old intro.
Oh, like when you had all the videos? Trader Geo live stream. Oh, bro, this is fucking
5 foot 2 3/4, most charismatic, top 3% trader globally.
This guy said FJ.
The OGs remember this
I
one.
was born to be free.
Bro, I can't believe that.
Okay, go. Now's your chance. Roast me in the comments. Go. Go ahead, Grace. Roast me. Basic bitch Grace. Go ahead. Subscribe while you're here.
Money. Let's get money, motherfucker, get money.
So why don't
You
you...
can tell Geo by the angle of the
Let's
camera.
get money, motherfucker, get money. Let's get money. Let's get money, motherfucker, get money.
Then you come on and be like, yo.
Yo, I should like run this back. Like this intro.
Money.
Bro, there's no way you did all that.
Yo, I'm bringing this intro back. We're bringing it back. At least
Yeah, I
the
don't know why
audio.
you got rid of it. Why'd you get rid of it? Bro.
Did you find a measure yet?
Yo, bring this back for a little bit, bro.
Yeah, I should, right? I should,
Yeah,
in
like
it.
like a couple days. Or like when we do these ones.
Man, I think these are the only ones I want to do, dude. I mean, I'm still gonna do them on my own, but it's just like, if we're here fucking around anyway, why not? You know, and you guys are cool with it.
Yeah, I guess.
I think I'm losing my mind now, yeah.
Wait, ask the chat. Be like, yo, what do you think you should do? Solo or fucking...
Yeah, do you guys like the solo streams better or when I'm like in here with people? I like it better when I'm in here with people. And plus, like one day, if and when I do a 24-hour stream, like I'm definitely going to need help. This could be a PO3, by the way. We could have a PO3 here on ETH.
Yeah. We're getting up there, man. I'm ready to short this bitch.
It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights in the streets and your
Oh my God, go
summer
SFP that
fever.
high, and I swear to
I
God,
should
bro.
be playing in the winter snow, but
Do it
I'ma
right
be
now.
under the mistletoe. No, I don't want to miss out on the holiday.
Dude, the
Yeah, I like
problem
hanging
is-
out with the boys. Both are cool, but with people is better when I'm with people. But please do streams every day. Man, it's way better with people. Way better, man.
Yeah, because then you got my dumbass.
But it's
over
just
here
like it's
saying
okay,
stupid shit.
It's just yeah, but it's more. It's like natural anyway, you know.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
Not that streaming is not natural for me. Like I'm a born entertainer, but it's just like it's never weird for me on stream anyway. Like I said, like I'm naturally in the spotlight, but it's just more fun and it's just more natural. It's easier. It's not hard, but it's easier to just it's like a podcast. Like it's just chill. We're shooting the shit.
We and you can talk, and then we can talk to them too.
Yeah, exactly.
So we have like a bunch of shit to talk about, bro. We went from fucking cereal to
height.
You know, to height. You're getting a fucking tape measure. You know.
Yeah. You're spending 1K tonight. That's it?
Yeah, you're a dick, bro.
Yeah,
that's crazy shit, bro.
It's like trading is the bonus. Yeah.
He bought?
Man, like I'll tell you this. I don't know if I'm gonna stream every day because I stream every single day in the Nexus. So I don't know if I'm gonna stream every single day. Just because I'm not on YouTube as much as I used to be doesn't mean I'm not working every day. Like I work 24/7. But what I will say is, we've been doing these streams often. This is like the third or fourth one now. You know, Jabs is always here. Jet's always here. We're shooting this shit with Phoenix as well. So as long as I'm around and they're cool with being on stream, and like we're in the call fucking 12 hours a day. You know what I mean? Like we're kicking it the whole time. So if they're cool with it, like yeah, I'll be here.
Come on, bro. SFP that
This
high,
is
bro.
super slow PA though, I will say that.
Oh, it's disgusting. I just wanted to take the high.
Very, very slow price action going
Okay,
on
to
right
stream
now.
on the next every day, but you gotta give the YouTube people love too, man. Yeah.
Yeah, I
facts.
know. Well, that's why we're here, man. That's why we're here, you know. You're 100% right. Like, and I said it. I took I didn't take a year off. I was still making videos and stuff, but I took a year to really focus on the Nexus, and I made it in a way that, they don't need me anymore, right? Like I literally gave them everything I know, and they choose to stay. Some of them leave, obviously, but no secrets are kept, and the idea is really like,
Whoa.
what?
Wait, am I watching your Discord? No, look at your stream.
Yeah, it's okay.
Hey, Loki.
Yo, Joe, what's up? And all of Joe's people, welcome. But yeah, my point is, I took that time to be like away for a little bit. Not away, like I had to take care of my own people, and then now it like runs itself, so didn't need the measure didn't need the tape measure, really. Geo's only 20 centimeters short of 6 foot, but this guy's still going. He's still ripping me.
Yeah, bro, he's been on you though. I think.
It's okay, he's one of us.
Wow, a lot of people actually like. I mean, I'm glad that no one likes fucking Sierra Mist, really. Well, I mean, I guess more than half of you guys like fucking Sprite.
I don't even know what Sierra Mist is. When did it switch to the other thing?
What do you mean? It Starry? Anything that is not Sprite, it tastes like shit. I'd rather squeeze my own lemon and lime into water. Yeah, facts. And then have that over.
Yo, you know
over
those
Jeremy.
like, oh, actually you don't have you don't have President's Choice, right? There's no way.
Nah. I'm from OZ. Yeah, it's like a Sprite knockoff. It's just trash,
What's
bro.
OZ?
I was trying to think of where that is.
Okay, let's keep guessing. Let's try to guess. OZ.
OZ, like a fucking. Is he saying country?
Wizard of Oz. Oh, Australia. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie.
Oh, that's what I was
Aussie,
thinking.
Aussie, Aussie. Oi,
Bro.
oi, oi.
Gio,
Dude, I said Wizard
you
of
know
Oz.
what I'm about to do, right?
What?
You know.
Ooh, no.
Look at what we just did.
Aussie, Aussie, Aussie. Oh, you're about to short her?
Hell yeah.
Did we wait? Biddy or ET Heezy?
Bitcoin.
Snitch coin?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we're actually like on site right now.
Yeah.
Like soon. Not yet. Soon.
What do you mean on site?
Where the fuck is my? Oh, there we go. See, now we pull up this, you know? Wait, what am I on, Biddy? We didn't. Did we? Oh, yeah, I see.
Could make a model here though, so just be careful. No in Gaul.
Aussie, Aussie, Aussie. I don't remember, but PepsiCo always makes the blend drinks. I don't know what that is. Man, if it's gonna be carbonated, Perrier is the way. And
Wait,
if
does
it's
that... Australia. Okay.
yeah, that's why I was saying Aussie, Aussie, Aussie.
No,
But
no, I
didn't
know.
that they.
Do they have Sprite there though?
Probably.
Sprite burns better.
They have huge snakes and tarantulas there.
They have crazy ass shit, actually.
Yeah. If you like saw a kangaroo and it was
That's like I guess it's like them seeing a deer.
yeah, but they're fucking jacked. Like kangaroos
Yeah,
are
no, I know.
jacked.
I
What
know
if it
that.
like and they like I don't know, bro. They have like some human sense to them. Like if they stand up and like you know are trying to box you and shit, like what
They
are
like
you,
square up.
What are you specifically, Trader Jabs, doing?
There it was.
Like
Fuck.
are you trying to fight it?
Fight what?
The kangaroo.
Yeah, I mean, it depends. What about like but like what about a spider? Well, yo, he said kangaroos taste good. All they eat is grass. Damn, that's crazy. You eat kangaroos? Is that like normal? Is everyone in here from Australia? What's up?
Yeah, why is I guess because it's like maybe because it's nighttime.
It might be Sunday morning for them.
You think a grown man solos a kangaroo? Well, I've never seen one. I've seen pictures on the internet of them being like really fucking jacked. I don't know how real. They sell it in every store. Wow. Interesting.
Kangaroos? Oh, okay, so you could just buy that shit. Bro, no chance. The roo I saw 2 days ago while driving past was fucking huge and ripped. They call it roo.
The
roo.
That's fucking.
I'm done.
That is actually like low key. That's so lit. The
Yeah,
roo.
that was funny as fuck.
Oh
bro.
man, I'm so taking that. I'm gonna start saying
roo?
that. Everyone's gonna think I'm so cool. The
Yo,
roo.
Dude, did you see that fucking? I mean,
Bro, that roo was. Everybody from here is in Australia. Damn, are you guys like? all
okay.
friends?
Do we sound weird to you? Do we sound weird to you guys?
I wouldn't fight a big gray kangaroo. How tall are kangaroos? Let's check that since we're talking about height. How tall are kangaroos? Wait, no, I'm gonna change my Google search. How tall is a roo?
Yeah, how tall is a roo?
Wow, it knew that. Eastern gray kangaroo, 2 meters.
6 feet. roughly? 6'6"?
It says no. They can stand. Oh, here, average large male is about 6 feet tall. They can stand up to 8 feet.
Damn, imagine seeing an 8-foot Roo.
Yo.
Nah,
That
people are gonna
is-
fucking watch this shit tomorrow and be like, "What the hell are these?"
They're
things
like
doing?
demigorgons.
Okay, so let's ask the more obvious and like what we really want to know the answer to. Has anyone in here fought one?
Eaten it
No,
or
fought
fought.
one. A Roo. Like, because they're all talking about it. Are they like out and about?
Okay,
Like you could see.
Jabs, what if this thing, because you don't watch Stranger Things, right? What if this thing came running at you? Would you fight it?
Yes,
You would fight that.
I'm dusting that thing.
Yeah, are you ever like driving and the fucking Roo is like on the road and you're like, get off my road, Roo?
I just thought it was funny. Like, yo, he just said,
Bro, kangaroos, like, they balance on their tail. Like, they like stand on their tail and then they fucking spring off of it and kick you. Like, they don't fight you with their hands. They like
Yeah,
will
I get
jump.
that.
They'll like bounce. They'll like buoying off their tail and fucking murk you. Okay, let's look up kangaroo kick.
yeah, okay. They jump out in front of cars all the time and write cars off.
Oh, really? Wow. So
what-
is
what-
that
what does
like
that- what
priced
does that mean,
into your
write cars
insurance?
off?
No,
What does
it's
that
like
mean?
the insurance, like they write the car gets totaled because of the kangaroos.
Oh shit. Okay, so he's out of here.
Yo.
Okay, so they're trying to.
Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Fuck. Yo, that's
Oh, they.
this is
Yeah,
mad
see, but
funny.
no, if you get close, they're done. Well, not really, I guess.
Yo, they look so stupid though.
This guy, go to the next video. The guy punches it.
Hold on, I wanna like see how this ends.
This guy on
Yo,
the right.
look at their necks, bro.
Oh yeah, left just took
Yeah,
a
that's
fucking
a-
shot, dude.
Wow, kangaroo
This
versus
is
dog.
insane. I'm telling you, what the fuck are we doing, man? Wait, yeah, this one. This guy like fucking
Oh,
punches that
shit.
shit.
That's it?
Now watch. Yeah, he fucking whacked him, and then the
Why
thing
does
just
it?
runs off.
I thought they were like way worse than this. They're like this is like not that bad. So wait, so you guys could just be like walking out of the grocery store and,
And
you
see
see
this.
this?
That looks like two fucking rats, kind of. Like
Yeah.
big one.
They're like just big
What
bunnies.
the fuck are they doing?
Big bunnies. Why is
That
this bun-
pound force kick, maybe 400 to 500 pounds. They go for the
Dude,
balls.
that-
Dog.
this guy is this is crazy. They can barely even stand.
900 pound kicking force, but they are not in populated areas. Oh, look at this motherfucker. That looks like me right there.
Bro, they're so like it's so weird because they're like how do they walk? Like on all four hands? Or do they bounce? Like, they hop around, right?
Yeah, like that. What do you mean all four hands, guy? They don't have hands.
No, but
Or,
like,
like-
do they like crawl or like? I know that they bounce, but do they ever run with like a dog
watch-
with all four hands?
Nah, I don't think so.
Bro, if I'm walking and I see that shit, I'm immediately on the floor laughing.
Oh, I think a kangaroo would fuck me up, bro. Yeah, that's how they get low.
Yo,
I'm catching that,
dude,
bro.
you walk out of the store and you see this, I'm dead, dude. I'm actually deceased. Oh shit, this guy's got form. Look at his form. He's like modeling when he's doing it.
Yeah, he's gangster right there.
Look at that. Clean high jump, gold medal, Olympics. Okay, so oh wait, are they fast?
Oh,
How
wow.
fast is a kangaroo?
That one that you're showing now
Oh.
looks like it's like getting low.
Oh.
If a kangaroo
Damn.
attacks you, do these
Oh, what
three
happened?
things to survive, and the last one is the most important. But first, like and subscribe.
Ew.
Keep your distance and try to make yourself look bigger by raising your arms and making noise. This can intimidate the kangaroo and
Kangaroo versus dog. Okay. Oh, what the fuck? That guy's out of here.
Holy shit.
Yo,
Okay,
they're
so they
out.
might be.
Look, damn.
No, they might. Oh yeah, they're fast as fuck then.
Yo, that's crazy. Wait, one more
Oh
time.
my god, bro.
Yo, their jumps must be like.
Okay,
Their
so
jumps must
obviously,
be like. Yo, each jump has to be like 10 feet.
how far can they jump? How far can they jump? Or wait, yeah, watch that. Watch that footage of Big Red.
That's what
Oh,
I
yeah,
just
those
did.
things-
This one. If your life depended on it and you're a grown man, you aren't dying versus a kangaroo. Okay, well, listen, like, you
Okay,
gotta
yeah,
understand. You guys gotta understand, okay? Because somehow all of you guys are fucking
Experts.
Australian. Yeah, like,
Yeah.
we are ignorant.
You guys
we don't
see
know.
roos every day.
We've
We-
never
yeah, this-
seen any roo in my life.
Kangaroo launches
That shit
itself
would
at
scare the fuck
cyclists.
out of me because I don't know what they're capable of. Like, I don't know what
Oh,
they're
yeah,
doing.
let's watch this one.
If I'm thinking it's gonna run on its hands and it can jump 30 feet high.
Yeah, no way.
Yo, you know the other day I went down the rabbit hole of like for octopus. Like I learned everything about octopus. Octopi.
Thank God they eat grass. Yeah, facts. Yeah, but listen to me. That thing doesn't look like a fucking predator to me.
This?
Oh.
Yeah, their pouch is gross on the inside, apparently. That's gross. 200-pound ripped kangaroo crushes metal. It just looks like a jacked fucking bunny.
Roger the Roo. He looks like a good guy, though.
How about this? Let's do kangaroo attack.
I want to see one get killed, like chased by something. Like a fucking hunt. You know what I'm saying?
Wait, do people hunt? Do people hunt the kangaroos?
I'm not saying a person. I'm saying like a fucking something. Is there anything do they have any predators?
Kangaroo hunt. Oh shit! Western kangaroo shooting.
Yeah, they
Oh,
look like they have.
Oh, they
claws,
cut
bro.
the tail off. Oh. wow.
Oh. What do they do with the Haru? Whoa, whoa, go back. Kangaroos trade? Yeah. Okay,
You guys-
so that's
did you
what
guys
a-
ever see the movie Kangaroo Jack?
Fix my shoulders. Nice. How'd you know red was my favourite
I
colour?
wonder if they're
Nice.
Cock. And I can sing. I said
Like
a
a
hip
brew is good.
hop, the
I wonder
hippie,
if
the
it's
hippie
good,
to the
though.
hip hop, and you don't stop the rock to the bang bang boogie. Set up, jump the boogie to the rhythm of the boogie. This is great. See, I am Jackie Legs, and I'd like to say hello to the black.
Would you fight a gator or a roo? A fucking roo.
Yeah, gators are. Fuck.
Yeah, you're not fucking living through a gator.
Who
Like
do
if
think
you
would-
like. How big's the gator? Wait, what? What were you gonna say?
I don't remember.
How big's the gator? Or what would I rather fight, a kangaroo or a fucking gator? A fucking gator. Or a roo.
Bro, alligators are like actually dinosaurs, bro. That's a dinosaur.
You know they don't die from old age?
What? Alligators?
Yeah, they just run out of shit to eat.
They don't die from age ever?
No, I don't think so.
No, there's no way.
Yeah, look it
Everything
up.
dies, bro. Anything that's alive dies.
Yeah, they don't. It's not that they don't die, dumbass.
Okay, hold on. You're telling me that this is not legitimately. That's a dinosaur.
I understand it's a dinosaur, but I'm saying they don't die from old age, bro.
No, okay, fine. Sure. I'm not, whatever, but that's a dinosaur.
Oh yeah, for sure. Can you look up if they don't die from old age? Like ask Nancy. Oh, they killed that gator.
Yeah. Do alligators die from old age?
First on Fox, a gruesome discovery in Pinellas County, where witnesses found this almost 14
Yes, alligators can die from old age, but it is extremely rare. They usually, oh yeah, starvation, injuries from fights, disease, extreme cold, or humans.
I never said they don't die.
No, I know. But it says it's rare that they die from age because they die other ways first, like starvation.
Yeah, but look how long they live, bro. The one they're pulling into that boat right there is probably like 70 fucking or like 70 years.
Yeah, they live. Some have lived over 85 years. They say on average it's 30 to 50 years. Captivity 60 to 80 plus years.
Wow.
What about that? What is it called? The Komodo dragon or something?
Yeah.
Man, what's worse, like this thing or the alligator? Alligators are probably way worse.
Yeah, alligators. They're anything that has no natural predator is like something you gotta watch out for.
Oh shit! No, this thing will fuck you up though.
Actually, though, jaguars eat alligator. Oh shit.
Yo, to be honest though, I feel like this will fuck you up more than an alligator will.
Well, some of them are poisonous. I think they're all poisonous.
Well,
I'm not
because
sure.
this is fast.
That is
actually
sketchy.
I guess alligators are fast too. Bro, that's a dinosaur, dude, or a dragon, or whatever.
Wait, do you guys have those in Australia? I think they do, bro.
Let's do
they have
Komodo
everything,
dragon versus crocodile. Komodo. Oh, apparently I've seen this video before. By the way, guys, this is anything but a trading stream.
Fuck alligators. Yeah, but I mean, who cares? Like,
no, I know. I'm just saying, like. Yeah, wait. Do these guys? Do they have gators and komodos in
Australia? They have
maybe the Komodo dragon. Alligators.
Or would the crocodile make a quick meal out of the Komodo dragon?
No way that thing eats that.
Okay. Everybody guess in the chat who wins, okay? Do we go dragon or do we go croc?
I'm going croc, bro.
I feel like crocodiles are just smaller alligators, right? Like the alligator's the big boy. I'm going the dragon here. I'm gonna go dragon. Okay, you're gonna go croc. I'm gonna go dragon. Dragon only needs one bite. Are they that? Wait, crocodiles are bigger than alligators?
Here's the problem.
No,
bro.
if it was an alligator versus a dragon, I would say alligator. But the crocs are they're like smaller and have like fucking just. Am I wrong? I don't know shit. Anyway, let's watch.
The dragon versus the crocodile. Tonight's contenders hail from very different parts of the world, so the chance of them going toe-to-toe isn't very likely. But in the versus ring, anything goes. Let's take a closer look at these fighters. At almost 3 meters long and weighing in at about 90 kilograms, it's the Komodo dragon!
Man, just get to the good part.
This contender him and hot off of last week's win, it's the crocodile! Meanwhile, the crocodile has been hiding in plain sight since before this fight began.
Bro.
He's patient
Crocodile's
and sneaky,
winning all day.
blending into his environment.
Wait, I thought... What's the difference between a crocodile and an alligator?
And looking like a floating log. Crocodiles have slow metabolisms and can go for months without food. So this contender won't have any trouble waiting for the right moment to strike. Whoa, he's a fast one! This crafty croc used his ability to wait for the perfect moment to attack. And by using that advantage, he takes the first round. Round 2, strength and skills.
Oh shit. Okay.
The Komodo dragon instantly gnashes his teeth at the oncoming croc.
Anyway,
His measly maximum bite force is only about 100 kilopascals. That's tanked by the crocodile's massive choppers.
Okay, let me just, before we go, I thought this is a crocodile before I made my answer. Like, I thought it was just like that little small, like snappy mouth one. I didn't know that there's like big crocodiles. I thought the big crocodiles were the alligators. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, no, I hear you.
Like the long, like this. I thought this was the crocodile. Like just this like little dinky thing. You know, like this. I didn't know that. Like that. I'm like, oh, what the fuck? That big. Anyway. Like I didn't know that was a fucking crocodile. That's horrific.
Crocodile's massive choppers, which can clamp down at up to 34,500 kilopascals. But the Komodo dragon has a secret weapon. While his bite lacks strength, he makes up for it in venom. As they use the crocodile within the next day, making the outcome of this fight a post-mortem win for the Komodo dragon.
I thought
Let's see how our fearsome fighters fare in round 3. Round 3.
I don't think they're actually fighting though.
Komodo dragons have a pretty fast running speed of over 21 kilometers per hour, meaning this fighter could outrun the crocodile's top speed of just under 18 kilometers per hour. But the crocodile has the home field advantage. In this, would a Komodo dragon fare better against another reptile?
What? They didn't even do it. Komodo dragon versus brutal shutdown.
Komodo dragon versus
this is what we're here to see.
Clash of cold. The giant lizard suddenly died while sinking its teeth. The crocodile has the advantage in bite force and
That's AI, dumbass.
But the Komodo dragon is
AI?
Yeah.
2 huge Komodo dragons fight on an Indonesian. That's how crocodile life ends when it messes with hippos? Yeah, hippos are like stupid strong, right?
Hippos are the deadliest fucking thing to humans.
For real?
Yeah,
hippos are mad dangerous.
Reptiles rely on their powerful jaws to tear and consume meat from prey. The anguished cries of
hippos are at the top of the food chain.
Yeah, bro, hippos are no joke.
Like, why though?
Look at them.
The reptiles fled.
Yeah, but you don't think like it's that bad.
They kill more people than anything, I think, in Africa. Hippos do.
Hippos kill shit dead. I'd never ever.
Anything that if you get near their kid, forget it, bro. They chase boats and shit, bro.
They're fast?
Yeah. They could run like 40 kilometers an hour, I think.
Really? Hippo. What's that?
Unbelievable moments caught on camera.
Oh, they swim like that too?
This man is playing hide and seek with a hippo. The hippo looks awesome, but also dangerous.
Holy, how big is that?
Unbelievable moment.
Bro, they're huge.
Now, when you go on safari, are you in those open jeeps? Walking safaris. What? The scariest
They're
pictures I ever
huge,
saw
bro.
was of this African guy running down the street and a hippo's chasing him. What in the fuck? If you're chased by a hippo, is there a move that you do?
Zigzag, yeah, maneuverability. When we got chased, we got behind a termite mound, and then it kept going straight. Like, you know.
Yeah, bro, they're...
That's what they made me watch?
Yeah, but look at him. He don't give a fuck.
Wait, like they swim though? Like fully underwater? Or they're running? Oh shit. Damn. He doesn't give a fuck about that engine. Oh my goodness.
That's the worst thing because they. Oh my god. He went.
Damn. Hippo attacks lion. I thought lions were at the top of the hill.
Nah, not against a hippo, bro.
Oh shit. Do they have like hippos in the zoo and shit?
Yeah, they
Or
have
is it
hippo.
like,
I've
or is
seen
it
a
like
hippo
too
at
dangerous
Disney
for
World.
that?
Are considered the world's deadliest
There's
large
hippos at
land
Disney
mammals.
World.
These beasts have one of the strongest bite forces in the animal kingdom. 500 people
you
per
short?
year in Africa.
No, but I
Now,
almost did.
Imagine the constant terror they lying
Look
on
at this
their numbers.
motherfucker, bro.
But just a bite won't do anything.
Hippo fights a
Another
rhino.
Hippo joined in to support. Yet
Damn.
the rhino ignored and was ready to fight. What happened next was unexpected. The hippo looked around, sort of saying, "Don't blame me for whatever happens next." In less than a few seconds, he opened his mouth very wide to allow his incisors to fully come out and pierce it straight into the head of the rhino. It went so deep, even the rhino struggled to pull it out and left the rhino unconscious instantly. 9 wild dogs. These dogs chased.
Wow. You learn something new every day. You learn something new every day.
Moon it.
All right, if we're shorting, what are we shorting? Where are
Nah,
we shorting it to?
we missed it already.
Where are we shorting it to? Oh yeah, we could have got right there. I would take it down here. All right, what's USDT doing? Yeah, I'm gonna TP now. My
Yeah,
my
they
soul.
eat whole watermelons. Short Trump coin.
Yeah, I actually took profit this time on my Solana long. What's ETH doing? Yeah, this might be a short here.
Moon it.
It's been said and done. Yeah, we have a Model 1 here on ETH. ETH is probably gonna come grab these lows. Yeah, Moondang. What is Moondang doing now? Is that shit still popping off? Yeah, it is. Wow. Interesting. Interesting.
We're acting like we got like some huge move here, bro. It's like up like fucking $200.
What is?
BTC.
Who's acting like we had a huge move?
Me.
Oh.
Because I'm like fucking looking at the 30-second.
Yeah, man, this PA is pretty underwhelming to say the least.
Yeah, bro. I'm probably just gonna go to sleep here in a second. I'm getting tired.
I'm gonna go watch UFC.
All right, brother. Well, YouTube, it's been fucking lit.
Yeah, this was a fun one, guys. I mean, it was everything but trading and crypto, but we had it long. I closed the Bitcoin long and not great. I mean, good stream, but in terms of like movement, price action, and opportunities, not really a lot is going on. I mean, what can you expect Saturday night?
Yep.
Took profit on my longs. This is where we end it. And, oh yeah. Yeah, USDT looks like it's accumulated. USDT looks like it can come up, to like if you're just looking at the range, you know, you have all this space here, right? So it'll probably get filled until the next Yeah, crypto stream. I'll see you guys soon, man. Maybe we'll be back tomorrow. But I'm gonna kick it. I'm gonna watch UFC.
Yeah, we could stream for Asia Open tomorrow night, 7.
Yeah.
At 7 p.m.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll figure it out. All right.
Yeah,
I'm
we'll
gonna hit
figure
y'all with the
something.
outro music. Make sure to hit the like button on your way out. Subscribe. You know, all the things. And one love.
Set my heart on fire.